Doing fantastic here today. Hope you guys had a great weekend. If you had a great weekend, throw a W in the chat. If you're excited for a new week, throw an 8 in the chat. If you're ready to win a 25K challenge account, throw a W8 in the chat. Holy. We're cranking. We got motion here Monday morning. Big motion Monday morning. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. All right. All right, cool, man. Happy Monday, everybody. Welcome in. Welcome in. I hope you guys had a great weekend, and I hope you're ready for a new week. I'm ready. I'm ready. Stephen B is in the house. What up, Stephen B? What's up, Energy? Energy's here today. What up, Energy? What up, OGH? Henry Hustle in the building. What's up, Henry Hustle? Dennis Hood in the house. What up, AJ? It's good. George VDM. Got a trade in the building. What up, got a trade? My man Zeb's is in the house. What up, Zeb? Give you the nickname Zeb. What up, Wags? Wags in the house. Fire Blaster in the house. Z Gamer is in the house. What's up, Z Gamer? What up, Chala? What up? What's good? Tamra, good morning. Cookie in the building. Is Joe Stew in the building when speaking about cookies? What's up, Dominic? What's good? What's good? What's good? Richard Lewis. Billy O'Neill in the building. What's good, Billy? What up, LeGrand? Good to see you, man. LeGrand in the house, as always. Lee, Buzzblab, Louis G in the building. There's my boy, Louis G. All right, what up, Magnus? What up? What up, Rose and Buds? What up, Anillo? The DJ's in the building. Good morning, man. Just Cruise B. Happy Monday. Happy Monday. All right, let me send the Zoom link out, and then we're going to get started. Ewan is in the building today. What up, Ewan? It's good. McNeil. McNeil's here always. Okay. Lee Steph in the building. George VDM, how you feeling, big dog? Kelvin in the building. What up, Kelvin? The OGH in the house. Yeah. YOLO Trader's in the house today. What up, YOLO Trader? What's up, Awareness? All right, let me send the Zoom link out, and we're going to get the party started here. Let's get the week. Oh, wrong link. How is that the wrong link? One sec. Got to send the Zoom link out here, man. You guys are good, man. You guys are good. I'll pop the Zoom link out on the public page here. We got new members in Zoom, which I don't mind. Look, if you can sneak past the curtain, you can sneak past the curtain. You know what I mean? I used to do that too, man. I remember going to a seminar, had seats way in the back. Man, we snuck up in the front, and if you can get it, you can get it, man. Got to sit right on the stage. All right, let me share my screen, and we're gonna get rolling here. Think we are good to go. Yup, good to go. Good morning, Joseph. Welcome in, everyone on Zoom. Welcome. All right, how'd you guys? How was everyone's weekend? Did you guys have a good weekend? Let me not just throw some charts in your face real quick. See how you guys are doing as people. Hope you guys are doing good. Hope you guys had a great weekend here. What up, options? Options in the building. Options. We got options today. Yeah? Awesome. Great weekend. Very cool. Very cool. I'm going to pray for you guys, and then we are going to get this day started here real quick. Let's go ahead and pray. Father in heaven, Lord, we thank you for a new week, Lord. We thank you that you have made us to overcome, to become more than we ever seen ourselves possible, Lord. We thank you that you hold this vision over our life. I pray that that vision will come crystal clear for your people here today or throughout this week or at some point before the end of the month, Lord, and they could write it down, they could visualize it, and they could become the person that you want them to become, Lord. We thank you that you have plans for us to prosper and to be in good health, Lord, and we just give you all the glory. I pray a blessing over your people here today. I pray a blessing over those who win the 25K challenge accounts here today, Lord. We're so grateful that we can have the opportunity to give traders a head start and give them a helping hand, Lord. So we thank you. I pray that you speak through me, Lord. Give me wisdom to share with your people today, to raise the level of their consciousness, Lord. I thank you for it, and as always, give you all the glory in Jesus' name. Amen. Amen. Hope you receive it. Hope you receive it here today. There's a message for you. We're going to have a great time here today on the live stream, and we're going to take a look at what we got going on, right? So it is Monday. It is the 22nd of April, and we're cruising through this month, man. We've been hot. You know, we've been hot. But look, you can easily begin to get overly confident in these hot streaks, right? And you guys have seen me go through hot streaks. You guys have seen me go through losing streaks and winning streaks, and one thing remains the same is the composure. You know, there's never too much excitement when we're hot. There's never too much dwelling when we're down. It's just a very streamlined business, playing the numbers, getting to our 100 trades, and letting probabilities work in our favor, right? So that's all we're going to do here. It is Monday. It's the first day of the week. Again, the 22nd of April. We're going to go ahead and dive into the week. Let me just take a look. You guys are saying gold is blade. Yeah, I took sells here on gold, but closed the position already. But yeah, let's take a look at the news first, and then we will. Looks like the 1 hour candle has no top wick. Yeah, so there's nothing for in terms of any new entries. So let's go ahead and open up the news and see what we got going on ahead of us this week as we approach the market. So doesn't look like anything today, right? Today's the 22nd. Another opportunity for us to be disciplined and practice, patience to our strategy, right? And there's nothing in the headlines here today for us. So it should be pretty simple day, pretty clean day. Tomorrow is the 23rd. If we're looking ahead on the 23rd, it looks like we've got just 9:45 PMI here tomorrow. That's about it. Yeah, nothing else for gold. As we move into Wednesday here, we've got the core durable goods. That's going to come in. That's an orange folder. And then that's really it. Excuse me. Crude oil inventory is coming in at 10:30 on Wednesday. And then that's it. No red folders, just couple orange, yellow folders there. Thursday, we have the home sales coming in. So pending home sales, we obviously have unemployment claims. So there's going to be news at 8:30. There's also going to be news at 10. And that should bring volume into the markets here on Thursday, which is the 25th. And then the 26th, we have this core PCE price index. And that's about it. You know, this consumer sentiment at 10. And that's the week for us. So pretty light week in terms of news. Not a lot of craziness going on. Today should be pretty straightforward. Tomorrow as well, and then we'll see what goes on come Wednesday as we get some more orange folders and crude oil comes in and all that good stuff. So let's go ahead and do a amens in the chat. Amens in the chat. Hallelujah. Yep. I hope you yep, exactly. I hope you win. Watch me win the 25K. All right, we're gonna watch you. We're gonna watch it. We're going to watch it go down. So let's go ahead and do a top-down analysis here. If you guys haven't liked the stream, as you settle in here today, just chill out. I hope you guys did your markup already. I'm going to do mine now. I hope you guys can give the stream a like for me here today. And let's see what we got going on. So weekly time frame is not weak at all, right? Not weak at all. Let me bring my tools up here. We're good. Weekly time frame has been moving bullish, man. Look at this run up here, right? It's just been a consistent run up off the weekly time frame. Absolute bearish rally after we broke out of this range right here. It's just been a continuous run up, right? So what are we looking for? We're looking for a bearish candle, right? Could we possibly get that bearish closure here this week? We don't know. The week just started. We still have 5 sessions left on this weekly candle here, but we are pushing down pretty heavy right now. So we are beginning to push down pretty heavy. So overall, though, we are bullish on the week, right? If we look at the daily, though, daily is starting to tell a different story now, right? So daily time frame closed bullish, right? Let's go ahead and open this up a little bit. You can see that we had formed a range, right, on the daily time frame. So you had a support. You also had a resistance right here. This candle actually closed above right here. There was a wick to fill, so we were pretty bullish based off of that. But just recently, I think in London session, we broke the lows there, right? We broke the lows. We look like we tapped target, but now the daily's continuing down off of this 4-hour push here. So you're getting a strong push on the daily time frame here, wiping out these lows, and we want to see this. You know, the more we can get away from these all-time highs, in my opinion, the better, right? As intraday day traders, right, the more we can get away from here, the more ranges we can create up and down. So, you know, I love seeing gold hitting all-time highs and doing its thing, but I want to trade it, right? So I want to have ranges to trade as a trader, and the more we come down, the better, right? So we are pretty bearish, I would say. I would say we had a bullish bias here up until a couple hours ago, and now my bias is pretty bearish here, right? The 4 hours also moving down very nicely. You did close below this level of support, therefore you should have you know, room coming down towards 23.43, and then potentially even that wick fill now that this this daily is getting rolling here. So let's go ahead and take a look at the 1 hour. I am pretty bearish based off of everything I'm seeing here. Taking a look at the 1 hour, you haven't gotten your closure below here just yet, but looks like we're cruising through, right? We don't have a top wick on this candle, which could be a little concerning for us. We know that there's just straight bearish volume poured into this candle, right? So as we come down into this level here, which is 23.48, we want to see how we react now, right? Because this is the level, right? This is the zone in which this candle was designed to test. So we'll see what happens. We also have a bunch of wick rejections in this area, right? Lots of wick rejections here. So even this guy right here. So we'll see how we react to this zone right there. But let's go ahead and take a look at the 30-minute real quick and see what this looks like. Yeah, I mean, you've got clean range, right? You've got clean range coming down on gold here. So we will see how this 30-minute candle closes. No top wick. I would expect to see some sort of a pullback here, but I'm just gonna hang tight and wait for a 30 close here. Probably gonna wait on a 1 hour closure here, most likely for NY open. We'll see how we close on the 30-minute, but you do have a range below here that looks pretty decent. So that is that's what I got here for today. Currently, right now we're kind of stuck between 23.47 and 23.55 in this range. It is a clean tradable range, but if you guys didn't catch this, it's, you know, no big deal. So we'll see how we react here, if we're gonna range in this zone for a bit, or if we're gonna just kind of get ready to keep moving here. So that that's what we're gonna wait and see on this closure, and that is the day. Yeah, that's the day. I would say very bearish here, right? So sells below 47 here, and then you also have potential fake out for sells coming back down below 55 here. So more of like a fake out for sells in this area, meaning if price begins to move up like this off of this level, and then we get some sort of a fake out where candles close back below, then that's an opportunity to continue selling off here, right? Because we've been driving for quite some time now, right? We've been driving from up here, so I would expect us to pull back before continuing down here if we do really want to move down today, you know, to do something like that. So that's the day. That's the day. We are absolutely blading right now. I closed my sell here, gang. Took a 1 hour celery play right here. Closed partials like right here. Yeah. Yeah, so hope you guys are making money here. Is anybody in this? Anybody in? What up, Traders X? It's good, Spence. What's good? LeGrand, you took the sell too? 1 hour celery? Nice. Are you still in? Very nice. Later. What's up, Nikki? What's up, Connor FX? That's good. Closed out. Nice. Still in. Nice. Nice, Dan. Nice job, Pip Laud. Caught the move to the downside. Traders X. Let's go. Big W, bro. Nice, nice. Yeah, I took a 1 hour celery and Asian session too. I think it was 1 hour, right? Yeah, right here. Took this sell right here on the break of that low and closed right about here. Yep. All right, man. That's it. That's it. Let me draw this real quick. And currently, as of 7:20 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, that is the vibe here. Things may change up. Things may switch. But as of right now, that's the vibe. Did I have a good weekend? Absolutely, man. Hey, chat. I dropped dimes on the course yesterday. Dimes. Yo. I had no idea I was that good in golf. Not gonna lie, man. I pulled one out from I don't even know where yesterday. What a performance. Still in? Oh, nice. Let's go. W. Yeah, man. Hey, chat, I didn't make any announcements, honestly, but I dropped a new video here. It's a 7-minute long video, and this is the video that we're going to comment on for the giveaway here today. So right here, I just dropped this video. Best, it's a review on Top One. It's TT recommended prop firm in 2024. It's 7 minutes and 47 seconds. Go check it out. Leave a comment on it. And this is going to be the video that we pick the giveaway winners from. So leave a comment. If you guys are working with Top One, leave a comment like what's your favorite thing about Top One. And then, or if you're not with Top One, just leave any comment, and that'll be how you enter the giveaway. And don't forget to like it. Give the video a like, a comment, and then we're going to pick 4 25K challenge accounts to give away from that comment section today. We might have 4, we might have 5. Who knows, man? Who knows? Yeah, if you guys are looking to get funded with Top One, there's a link in the bio. There's also a link in the description of that video there. I know a lot of you guys are searching for prop firms right now. They're the one that I recommend, the only one I recommend, honestly, at this point. So if you guys are looking for a good firm to work with, just hit ! Top One in the chat, and then boom, it'll be there for you. Christian, yeah, so the 4-hour candle is really what led me there, right? The 4-hour candle made a top wick, right? Made a top wick, and then the 1 hour now breaking those lows, right? So this is your 4-hour top wick. That trade was heavily based off the 4-hour, right? Understanding that there was a wick to fill there. So that was where the idea came from, that higher time frame bias. And just really going back to what we've been discussing on the 4-hour is has really been helping, really been helping. So I really like that we've caught on to that. And that's why you got to dig, man. You got to dig when it comes to trading. Like, remember that whole idea started out all based on really like how can we participate sometimes when the range 2 leaves without us. You know, like that one little idea brought us to all of this, which in a way didn't switch our strategy, but switched how we got our bias, you know, where we took our bias, how we planned our trades, right? So you got to dig, man. You got to dig. Yeah, consistently learning. Took it out to 15. Nice, Xander. What up, Xander? What's up, Muhammad? What's up, Dropout Trader? Can we take a look at the NASDAQ? Yeah, let's take a look. Let's do a top-down analysis here on NAS, and then we will chill. So weekly has been, oh damn, last week really ripped. That's good. We want to see NAS come down too, man. We want to get the heck away from these all-time highs. We really do, especially as day trader, intraday traders. We don't want to be hanging out up there. It gets nasty up there, man. It gets nasty. So taking a look at the weekly, obviously you close very strong bearish, right? So there's seems to be a lot of bearish volume here. You can continue moving down, right? Especially like tap into 16,834 right there. Even if we did close bullish, I would expect price to at least tap into that level, right? So even if we did close like this, see something down in this range, tap that level before going up, and then maybe we just want to come up and make a new resistance for price to keep going down. So we are heavily bearish though, excuse me, off the weekly. Daily's pretty bearish too. You know, you did close below this range right here, so you got a closure below that range. There's also pretty clean traffic moving down to the left hand side. This is kind of like the range that we're playing in on the daily. Very curious now, right? Because we've been moving down for a while, quite some time. A lot of times when I see a daily, like a major closure like this one, I never see the move happen on this next candle, like the current one we're looking at now. There's always some funkiness that goes down, where this one isn't the driver, right? You'll get a bullish candle, like you'll get this candle even to like spike all the way up, kind of close back down, do something like this. Next candle, sometimes do the same exact thing, maybe close bearish, and then the move begins to happen, right? Like something like this, and then boom, it starts to drop. So that's something I've always been studying for the last, like I would say 7 months, 7 months, about this daily closure. All right, you get a big closure below the range. All retail traders are excited about getting ready, taking sell, 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 and it doesn't tend to happen. You know, that may not be the case here today, but it's something I've been watching and looking at. So either way, we are bearish based off the daily, but the 4 hour is breaking the high here. So if the 4 hour close is bullish, then I think we could expect a move up here today, just to kind of pull back, right? Just pull back. We haven't had a pullback in quite some time. So very, very big 4 hour closure here. Taking a look at the 1 hour though, you've got your range here, right? So you've got your resistance here. You've got your fresh support right here, and that's currently the range, right? There's a wick to fill below that, which is about 23 pips. There's a wick to fill above here, which is about 41 pips, right? So let's take a look at the 30 minute. 30 looks clean. Yeah, everything looks good. Everything looks good. Big closure, right? If you get a 4 hour close, I think buys are going to work out here today. But all in all, we are bearish on the daily. So I think buys above 17,175. Yo, stop playing. Was this not the same number the other day? 171. Oh no. We got a 5 in there. All right, my bad. Buys above here, 17,175.1, and then sells are not bad, right? You got a little choppiness to the left hand side that could hold price up, but you are breaking that 4 hour low there, so you do need a closure. I wouldn't recommend just taking an impulse entry here. There's a lot of stuff that can trap you up there. You do need a closure, I would say. But if you do get that close and that 4 hour flips bear, then that means we potentially remain bearish. 4 hour pack runner for price to continue driving down. In my opinion, this is an extremely weak bearish close though, so we don't know if that's going to respect that 4 hour bias, but we are going to be, or I am going to be open to taking potential sells below here and then buys above there today. And that is the day, right? Buys above, sells below, because the daily is bearish, but the 4 hour currently is kind of moving bullish now, right? So after you break that high, if you get a new closure above something like this, then I think that gives you the green light to go ahead and take flight here. Take flight. Let's see something like that today. So that's it. That's it. You got no top wick on this candle. That may be our little finish line there for us to target. And then yeah, you got clean move above that too. So very, very clean traffic on the way up here, if NAS wants to kind of do what we talked about with this daily time frame and re-break those 4-hour highs there and close most importantly close above, right, on the 30-minute time frame. So that's it. Done. Trading made simple. And this is how easy your analysis could be. I highly recommend you guys really doing top-down analysis as much as you can. Go like build a watch list of like, I don't know, what do I got over here? All these pairs. Just go build a big watch list. Doesn't matter if you trade these pairs or not, but take yourself through a top-down analysis, right? Get yourself familiar with finding ranges, finding support, resistances, which ones to use, which ones not to use, and making those tweaks and adjustments, because this game is a learning. You're going to learn something every day. It's a learning game. It's a continuous learning type of battle that you play here in the markets. And to be honest, it's a beautiful thing, man. It really is. Do I do the same analysis? Yes, Peter, for all pairs. Yep, because my system here is based off of candlesticks. So as long as it has candlesticks and it involves candlesticks, then you can use this system here. Post the link for the giveaway. The giveaway is going to be this video right here. How can I post that link? Where's Nightbot? Can we get Nightbot to post it? I think we can. Here you go, guys. This is the link right here. If you guys want an opportunity to win a 25K challenge account giveaway here, go ahead and comment something on that live stream. Just comment something. If you guys have used Top One, give us an idea of what you like best about Top One, and if there's something that you don't like, put that in there too. That way other viewers can see it, right? They can see some things that are good, some things that maybe they could do better, and yeah, it's gonna be this video. It's the newest video I dropped. It's called Top One Trader Review. When a candle closes with no top and bottom wick, if it's a bearish candle, so what the wicks represent is the wicks represent range, right? So if you have a bearish candle right here, this wick fill or this wick right here is designed to be filled, right? So what that is it's a range, and it's a range for the next candle to drive in, right? So you get a candle that move up, and then it's designed to fill that range, right? So that's what the wick represents. So if there is no wick, what does that mean? We don't have that range now, right? So if we don't have that range, then most likely there's no room to drive, right? 85% of candles during high times of volume will fill the wick, right? That's where you get the term wick fill from. So if you don't have a wick, it doesn't mean price won't go down. It just means that it becomes more of a 50-50 chance of it actually going down versus like we said earlier, like an 80-85% chance. So that's all. It can still move down, but one thing that I have done is I've set a rule for myself. Hey, if the candle closes with no bottom wick, like zero, like this one is okay. You know, that's something I won't kind of steer away from. This one, very good, right? But if we've got nothing, then I already know, I've already made it up in my mind many months and months ago that I will not enter. I will not enter. Even if I've been waiting for a closure below this range right here, this yellow range, for the last 4 hours. If I finally got the closure and we get to the last second of the candle and it closes like that, I won't take it. There's nothing for me. So I make a hard rule of some of these things that I know are 50-50. That way I never have to debate about it, you know, when the time comes. Right? Because if you debate about it when the time comes, you're in there. You're getting in. When you study charts, do you study one variable at a time? Not necessarily. I feel like my mind is always going, man. Always moving. Yeah, I study these things in like this. Most people would probably call it unorganized in my own mind, but I don't know. I've got it I've got it all organized in my own head. Oh, what up, Sunboy 90 Comedy? Pablo's in the house. What's up, Pablo? Yeah, so that was the idea with the 4 hour, right? So 4 hour, there was a wick to fill right here, right? So you had a closure below this range, closure below here, and then you had a wick to fill, right? So that was the wick fill, and that was really all you're designed to do. Now, if you break the low, you'll most likely come down to the next level of supports, and then possibly if there's like a wick that you see here, then you could potentially fill that area too. Yeah, that's why I took my sell right here, and that was the wick fill. That wick fill right there. Sell was taken off that 1 hour celery after resistance was formed. These candles also pretty much closed below this level here. Right, this level right here. Candles were pretty much closing below it, building a new roof, like a new ceiling, and then boom, execution right there. And then I closed partials somewhere down by the support. Didn't let it run to the full wick fill, but Juan in the house, the 1% club. What's good? What's good? How you doing? How you doing, Juan? How you doing, bro? How you doing? Good to see you here.
How you doing?
How you doing? What up, Foster? It's good. Alexandros, my boy. What's good? What's good? Can you explain how you identify that's a weaker level and stronger levels based on previous zones? You know, a lot of it has to do with volume coming in, man. A lot of these zones will get blasted through during volume. So that's why almost every time I take a trade is during high times of volume, right? So like I'm trying to find some examples here. I don't think this is a strong zone, right? I wouldn't identify that as something strong. Something like this I would, right? Because you see how price coming down hard. And then boom, just abruptly stops right there and then moves on up, right? So any of these like crazy abrupt stops are pretty strong, right? Pretty strong zones there. So a lot of it also will have to do with experience. You know, the more experience that you get in the markets, the more you'll begin to kind of feel those out, and a little bit of intuition, I would say, goes into it. But I think volume, man, volume's the big thing. If you have volume coming in, most zones are going to get either retested or broken through. So that's one thing to pay attention to when you are looking for positions, is really focusing on, is there volume in the market yet, right? 6 a.m. we know there's a lot of volume. So that's, and when do wicks get filled? During that time of volume. So that's why I pulled the trigger at 6 a.m. today. And I was really expecting this to like rip down like that pretty quickly, but you know, it took a little bit of time. But anytime there's high volume, that's where you want to get in to either retest a zone, right? Retest a strong level, or break through it. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Other than that, it's just like little stuff. You know, if it's like a small resistance, like this guy right here, I don't think that's the main resistance. I think this is, right? You see how it just looks different, right? It's big move up, abrupt stop, and then resistance form, boom. See how there's a nice sell off of there, where this wasn't that strong of a resistance at all. You know, it just blasted through it. So yeah, hopefully that helps. What up, Susanna? Louis A in the house. What's good? Yo, I might get into golf. I'm telling you, gang. Yesterday, I had the best. I mean, I've only been on the golf course like 3 times, but this time was by far the best. I was hitting these. Yo, I was feeling like the pros, man. Like my first time golfing, I was hitting like line drives and like ground balls on some of them. And man, this time I was just. They were like sailing, dude. My mind was blown. But hey, you know what's so cool? We played 18 holes yesterday, right? 18 holes. We had an early morning tee time. Went out there, played 18 holes, and the first 9, none of us really played that good. None of us really played that good. We were just hanging out, like shooting, like warming up. But the last 9, or I think they call it the back 9, right? In golf, the back 9. Someone said, "Hey, we should play for something," and I was like, "All right, let's put some money on the line, right? So let's put some score on the board, you know." And I'm a competitor at heart. I love to compete. My mentor used to say all the time, "You know, Nick, everything's all fun games until someone says 1-0, right?" I don't know if any of you guys are like that. I'm like that. Everything is cool until you say 1-0. Then it's like, yo, game on, right? So I find it funny that once we put some money on the line, once we put some score on the board, everyone, all of us started playing so much better. So much better. And I want to encourage you guys to find friends that you can compete with. Healthy competition, right? You could find friends in the chat. You could find friends where you can, remember, the word says iron sharpens iron, right? So as we compete, we automatically make one another better. And the friendly competition is so healthy. And I think in today's day, it's a very weak, everyone's a winner. Don't feel bad if you lose, right? I think we're missing the spirit of competition, because competition is always going to bring out the best in you or expose you, right? One of the guys, I don't think he's watching, but I mean, he was all in his head, right? He was one of the better players, and you know, here I am, my second, third time out on the course, just throwing down, right? Just throwing down, and he was not playing the best and getting in his head, and that's what competition will do, right? It'll bring out the best in you. It'll either, you know, get you going, or it'll kind of expose you a little bit. So I don't know. I think we need some more competition out here. I think you guys should find a good, healthy friend that you can compete with, and not compete with like ha ha ha, like, but like, you know, at the same time, everyone's like, yo, nice hit, bro. Like, wow, beautiful. That was perfect. Like, so you're complimenting each other within your competition, if that makes sense. Yeah, no last place medals out here, man. The back 9, there you go. See, I got the golf lingo going. Competition. If you suck, you suck, man. If you suck, you got to get better. That's just how the game goes. Yeah, I don't know what it was, man. I don't know what it was. I was just dropping dimes yesterday. It's pretty awesome. Gentleman's comp. Yeah, I like that. Rob Trades. What up, Rob? I think I have a knack for golf, chat. Not gonna lie. I think it was a sport that maybe I should have been playing for a longer time. I always thought I sucked at it. Why would I think I suck at golf? Right? What would make me think I suck at golf if I never played before? You know, a lot of us got to get past these limitations that we put in our brain, man. We all do it. We all do it. How many opportunities, RIP to all the opportunities missed because of low self-esteem. Sheesh. Sheesh. You know how many times I got asked to play golf? Nah, all right. Let's go for a bite to eat instead. What time frame closure am I waiting for? I'm waiting on a 1 hour close here. I've got NY open coming up in 15 minutes. 4 hour has, will we see the 4 hour pull back, right? If we're looking at, let's say 8, what time is it? So let's say we are looking at like 7 to 9 right now. Currently, do we expect this 4 hour to keep pumping, right? Or to give us a pullback? That's kind of the idea here, where we want to see how we can get positions in from 8 a.m. to about 9 a.m., right? Is where will that next 1 hour candle go? Currently, the 1 hour has no top wick, right? So there is a pretty strong support to the left-hand side. A lot of rejection here, right? It's not like price hasn't drove down here before. Just look at all the times we drove down recently below. So, you know, I think you definitely need to close below there in order for us to take any more sells currently, because if not, then this 4 hour candle can have plans to pull back a little bit, right? To leave a wick to fill, or even close up bullish. You know, look how long we've been running here. So I would expect price to kind of want to create a resistance at some point. So we'll see how the 1 hour closes. What up, Energy? All glory to God. I passed 3 prop firm challenges this month. W. Yeah, yo, Ben, that's true. You can easily get in your head in golf. Easy. Easy. Yo, yeah, I'm going to bring the kids out there. Honestly, we're going like we're forced family fun is what my mentor would call it. Yeah. We're going to go out there and just play some golf together. 4 days. We're going to go like 4 days a week. Wait till these guys can move around a little bit. Project Woods. What's up, everybody? Project Woods. If you guys have not commented on this video just yet, we are doing a 25, we're doing 4 or 5 actually 25K challenge account giveaways. All you got to do is comment on this recent video I just posted like an hour ago. Just leave a comment. Looks like some comments are coming in now. So yeah, leave a comment there. Here's the link. And yeah, we're going to pick a winner around, I would say around 9:15. If we're looking at potential positions, then we'll do it after 9:30. But yeah, we'll pick a couple winners today from that comment section. And yeah. If you guys have already won a challenge account from Top 1, let us know. Let us know in the comments. Susanna, I think one of the mods should be able to answer that a little bit better than me. I know we can't post links, or at least no one could post links, but pics and text should be good. Always disappear. All right, we'll get someone to hook you up, help you out. Oh, you can't add more than 2 emojis. Oh yeah, Susanna's an emoji queen, right? You use a lot of emojis, right? Bitcoin, please. Bitcoin, please. Yeah, we've had a lot of winners. We've had a lot of people win challenge accounts, man. Yeah, actually, like a good amount of you passed through your phase 1s and phase 2s too, which is fire. We always hope that the challenge account will go into the right hands, right, and not someone that's just gonna blow it. I mean, if that's what you did, that's that's fine, right? You got the account, it was yours, it was given to you. You could do anything you want with it. It's a strategy, I guess, in itself, right? Just trying to crack a grand salami, but yeah, we always want to see if we can get that into the hands of someone who's gonna really treat it with care and get themselves funded on it. Yeah, we're not gonna pick from this. We're not gonna pick from our live chat today. we're going to pick from this comment section right here today. So just go to the new video I made. I just dropped this video. Give it a like and give a comment on it. I just dropped it like an hour and a half ago. And yeah, just comment whatever you like. And if you've been with top one, let us know how you feel about top one. But yeah, looks like comments are coming in. So we're going to pick the couple comments, probably like 4, maybe 5 from there. Run, comment now. One day I'll win. Hey, I think that's what the last guy said too. One guy's like, last time he's like, one day I'll win. He won. It was his day. So if US traders can't use match traders, so these guys are dropping Trade Locker. I think it was supposed to drop last week, but they were still doing some testing on it. So I'll get a lot of answers today too, because I'm gonna be meeting with Clay a little bit later on today and chatting with him for a bit. So yeah, if you guys also have any questions, let me know and put it in the top one channel in our Discord, and then I'll ask those questions. Grand Salami. Stephen B, I love Top Step. Yeah, I heard Top Step is good. I have a couple friends that are using them as well. What's up, Pia Magnifico? Richard Lewis, my man. Hey, by the way, that was me in the Discord. He said, "Yeah, I'm gonna go check because I'm not too sure if that's you." I'm like, "Oh, okay, player, do it, man. Smart man. Smart man." He was talking to me, but he wasn't sure if it was the scam page or not. Can UK use top one? Yes. What's up, Jimmy Williams? How you doing, man? That Garcia fight was I actually didn't watch it, but I did see the highlights. Yeah, I fell asleep that night. Do I have copy trading? Not me, but Nick Stewart. He has that super duper copy trader. It's only cost 2 Bitcoin, and Bitcoin's going up, so I don't know. Nah, I don't have any copy trading, no signals, nothing. Nothing. Just this live stream and a 4-week program that for only the most serious people. Yeah, I'm going to be putting out a lot more content too. So nice, quick, like 7-8 minute videos that get straight to the point. We're going to be talking about a lot of our a lot of the things that we work on here on the live stream. I'm going to drop some videos because there's a lot of people that do follow me, that keep up with my stuff, that also can't trade the New York session. So I want to at least get some content out on the YouTube channel for them. Only 2 BTC. That's it, man. The Eagle 4000. Nazier making his way back up here. Let's see what the deal is. 4-hour highs are sitting there. We have a little bit of a low, nothing too crazy there, but we did come down and kind of break the low there. So yeah, we'll see if we close back above now in 30 minutes. Alexandra's 2 BTC for breakfast. Yeah, so as you guys know, one of my big things really moving into April was really execution. You know, some of you guys, I told you guys about, I had a conversation with an 8-figure trader and got some advice from him and got some tips from him. And, you know, he just said, you know, he said a lot of things, but one of the things he said is you need to execute, man. Execution is your edge. When you take trades, you win trades, right? But when you hold off and you try and look for the prettiest and the best analysis, that's where you seem to hold off, right? So my big thing this whole month has just been to execute. I don't give a rip if the trades win. I don't care if they lose. My big thing is just execution currently. So that's why I've been executing like a madman and really paying attention to price, even in the Asian session, right? I took 4 trades in the Asian session. No, 3. No, 4 trades in the Asian session this month alone, and haven't really traded the Asian session at all. But really working on executing when the setup is there, not paying attention too much about the time and everything like that. Always want to be around volume, but really just swinging the bat up here. So feeling good about the cuts and the swings that I've been taking, and his idea is proving true, right? Execution truly is my edge. If I know that I have a 75% win rate when I execute, and I don't mess around and I let the numbers play out, that is my edge, right? So when you have a good playbook, you just gotta utilize it. You just gotta utilize it. I think coming from that 6 trade losing streak that we owe, the famous 6 trade losing streak, right? That kind of slowed me down, made me a little picky, and it's okay. That's okay. As a trader, if you hit a little rough patch, it's not a big deal. It's actually probably recommended to slow down, take a breath, get picky, get back in the mode, back on the horse, and then get going, right? And get back into your flow state, because if you just kind of push it all aside, then you may continue down in that downward spiral. So just kind of taking a breather. And again, we're hot right now, but you don't see me celebrating. You don't see me going crazy. You just see me just as I was when we weren't hot, right? When we were cold. And that's the key as a trader. It's who's going to be able to stay composed, right? Just like on the golf course yesterday, very easy to lose your temper, lose your mindset there. So as long as you can stay composed and collected and understand that the real edge is in the group of trades, right? In the 50 to 100 trades, then I think you're going to be A-okay. Flow state, baby. Yeah. What up, Lights Fire? Lights Fire in the house. Yep. Take the loss, man. Remember, wins. Remember what Mark Douglas said, right? Wins and losses, right? You got wins and you got losses. They're distributed completely randomly, right? So let's say we do have a 75% win rate, and that means out of 100 trades, we'll win 75, lose 25. You know that you could have 20 in a row right out the gate, and then only have 5 left for the remainder of the year. You just don't know, right? They're distributed randomly. You don't know when it's going to come, when it's not going to come. You have no idea. If this is your sell stop, and once this candle, boom, once this happens, you have no idea. You can never say 100% that trader is going to be a winner or a loser, right? You just don't know. So the outcome of the next 1 or 2 trades is completely random, right? But we're staying focused and locked in on the next 100, and that should not be random, right? That should look something just like this, and that's what it has looked like over the past, I would say, 3 years or so. So just got to keep running the numbers, keep staying steady, take a swing in the bat, and staying composed through whatever season you're in, whether it's a winning season or a losing season. By the way, every system's gonna have a drawdown. Every system's gonna have a losing streak, right? It's okay. I look tan. I was playing golf yesterday. What up, Sandman? We got 1 minute for the closure here. 1 hour close. Yo, I was gonna bring my camera yesterday and film the golf session, but I'm like, nah. I'm too excited about having a camera right now. What's up, Brax? Good morning. Good afternoon. Let's go, Peter. Doing awesome, Jesse. How you doing?
How you doing?
Probably gonna go heavier this week a little bit as well. Gonna size up a little bit this week and see what we can do. All right, so we did open up here. We do have this celery-like play coming up. So if we can get a top wick here, we just kind of push literally in the first second. If we can get a top wick and then re-break the lows, or if we can get a top wick, I'm gonna have sell stops on the re-break of the low there. You got about literally a 70 pip range coming down. So just need a top wick here and we're good. Are you a believer? A believer in what? We're all believers. What we believe in, though, makes the big difference. We do a little size up. Why the top wick? Because the 1 hour candle needs a top wick here, right? The top wick is an opportunity for us to make a new high, okay? So if we don't have that new high, then at some point, right, if we know that 85% of candles have top and bottom wicks. Even if it's just a little wick, right? It's still 85% of candles have that, right? So that means if this candle doesn't have one right now, then there's an 85% chance, not a 100% chance, but an 85% chance we come up and make a top wick here. So for that reason, I stay out. It goes hand in hand with the candles that close with no bottom wick, right? If you guys were here when we explained about candles closing with no wicks on the bottom, same thing. I need at least something on the top to say, hey, we have a new high. Yeah, we need a new high. If it looked just like that, I would have sell stops. Just like this. I would have a sell stop right there. It drove like 20, dude, it drove like 20 pips here in like the first second. You on GC, brother? Yo, we moving to GC. We moving to the bigger sizes now, chat. We're moving up. We're sizing up a little bit this week. Had my 2-week evaluation with me, myself, and I, and discussed with the risk manager the trades from the last 2 weeks, and he gave me the A-OK, the approval, to up the risk a bit when the time calls for it during this week. So that's what I'm gonna do. Yeah, there was a celery there. There was even a 30 celery, but we broke the lows legit in the first 1 second. 15 celery, no. 30 celery though, yeah. Later. Yeah, we're bleeding here on gold. I had an entry earlier right here. Right here. This thing drove. Where can we see the long entries? I would say we've got to come up now, right? I think on this 30 candle here, maybe even the 15 if this leads to like an exhaustion wick. We are pretty bearish though, not going to lie right now, but if this kind of leads to some sort of exhaustion wick, then there may be that opportunity for volume to push us up. 8 a.m. candle's a bit funky. I typically like to wait for 8:15. I'm down to take it at 8 if we had that top wick, but this is not a big deal for me. We're probably going to come up and make a top wick here. And then we'll hit them with the would you look at that? For those of you guys that just came in a few minutes ago, we're giving away 5 25K top 1 accounts here on the live stream. All you have to do to get in is sub to the channel and give a comment on this video right here. I'll put the link in the bio right now, and you can comment there. All right, George. W on the way out, George. See you later, brother. Maybe we'll see you later in the stream. Maybe we'll see you tomorrow. Good luck. Time to enter long. Yeah, if it's according to your system, then you bet, brother. You bet. I would not disagree with that. Hey, yo, where's Green? Time is it 8 a.m.? Where's Green at? Oh. Should we hit him? Or one more push? One more push before the... One more? One more? Can we get it? Can we get it? There it is. There's the top wick. Even if it's just a little one. Why? Because you're my lucky charm, Green. I need to always know you are in the chat. You're my lucky charm. There it is.
Would you look at that?
Look at that, Green.
Yeah, well,
Would you look at that?
yeah,
There it goes,
a few
Green.
more blemishes on the card.
Oh my gosh, just look at it.
Look at it, Green.
Just look at it. Just look at it.
Yeah, well.
What the heck is that?
Green's my lucky charm, chat. We always got to make sure Green is here. We need to take care of that man. Green, post your Cash App here so people can know where to help you. We got to make sure he's here at all times. All right, we got the top wick now. Will we continue down or are we going to pull back here? What's it going to be? Hey, Nick, what kind of books would you recommend for leadership? Anything written by John Maxwell and John Wooden. My favorite leadership coaches. John Maxwell and John Wooden. What should we do to enter the giveaway? Just comment on the new video I dropped today. It's titled Top 1 Trader Review. So, whoever asked about, I forget, I'm sorry, but, and whoever else wasn't sure about this top wick idea too, do you see how it plays itself out, right? Because this candle can close bearish, right? We could still move down too. But a lot of times candles, 85% of times, they're gonna have both top and bottom wicks, right? So if one doesn't have one, you can expect it to pull back to make it, right? So that this candle happened to come down here, but this candle could have pulled back here, 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 anywhere. And any one of these could have been our entry, right? And at any point, it could have just pulled back on us, and now we don't know. Now we're in like no man's land, right? According to our strategy, according to candles. So that's why. Would you look at it? Checking them out right now. Yeah, John Wooden's my John. I love John Wooden and John Wooden books, man. Just picked up the magic of thinking big. Let's go, Dominic. Let's go. What's your favorite verse in the Bible, man? I don't know. I don't know if I have. I think they're all just mind-blowing. I don't know if I have a favorite, man. I really cannot, answer the question. So tough. One that I've held on to for a long time is do not be discouraged by the size of the task, for the Lord your God will see to it that it's finished completely, right? So if he starts something in you, if he gives you a vision and things aren't going as you feel are according to plan, don't be discouraged by the size of that task. Just continue on knowing that it will all be finished, not by my might nor by my power, but by the Spirit, right, of the Lord. So that's one thing I've held on to for a long time. And God is such a God of promises, and he fulfills them. And, you just got to believe. You just got to believe, man. Yeah, there you go. Chronicles 28:20. There it is. Yep. There you go, John. So you guys know me. You guys know me. Thanks for teaching us. Yeah, I got you, man. Got you. I got that on my whiteboard. W. Yep. RC Kingdom. That's another one, man. Anytime we try and get in the way, just don't go the greatest, right? All right, nice. So we are pulling up here. So yeah, if we do get remember we drew this out already. So we know what we're waiting for here. So we just got to be patient. So what could we expect, right? If we get this, we could expect from, what time is it? 8 to 9 for this 4 hour to potentially pull back now, right? So if we expect that to happen, then we will see something on the lower time frame, which we're starting to see, right? You're going to see something like this, where you have an exhaustion wick, potentially a closure above, and then the next candle should come up and at least fill that wick to the left, if not make our way up to eventually see this candle right here with no top wick to potentially give that candle a top wick. So we will see about this, my friends. Let's go. Just got off of work. Now here putting in more work. W. Putting in good work, even when I didn't even know if it would work. Let's go. J Finesse. About to finesse these charts. Do I know how to extract Excel file from DX Trade? I don't, but I'm sure TK can pull something out of his hat on that one. Yeah, I'm sure we can help you out. Off the top of my head, I don't know how to do it, but I'm sure TK does. Let's see. Oh, our chat's frozen? What the heck? Is chat frozen? Oh, let me pull up the stream. What the heck? Why is chat frozen? Did we break the chat? Oh, hold on. Let me do something here. Yo, why is chat frozen? Interesting. We ice cold. I don't know what happened here, chat. I don't know. I don't know, man. I'm not the best tech guy. Hey, by the way, chat, elites are opening up. So we're going to open up the elite program here in like 3 days. So if it's something you've been interested for a while, we're coming up here to open them up in May. There's going to be 6 spots max, so they're probably going to sell out right away. So if you guys are interested in that, keep an eye out for it. And yeah, we're only taking 5 or 6 people max, and then we'll open it back up in June. So that's coming up here in about 2 days. We may open it up today. We'll see. But no, we won't get started till like May 1st. Yeah, free chat. Damn. What happened here? Free chat. No, don't close with no top wick. Pull back a little bit. Damn. Ah, we got a little top wick there. Let me see it on this chart. Yeah, chat. Not gonna take these. If we can get a closure above 23.47, then I'll be interested. I would be interested here, but no top wick. So you already know. You already know how I roll. Bummer. On Nick's end, the chat's frozen. Oh no, I can see it. I can see it moving. I'm saying on the actual screen though, it looks like it's chalked. Yeah. Bruh. That's good, bruh. Unployed. What up, bruh? Bruh. That's good. Oh, what are we doing here? Yeah, I'm going to wait on this 30 close here, chat, because this is very, very bad. Right? Very bad. But this could work out, but I want to wait for the 30 close here. It's in 13 minutes. 15 never closes below the range. Yeah. Don't want to get caught up right here. Matrix holding. In which area can we get a confirmation that price will rise? I mean, in which are we need to see? I would say we need a closure back above 47 here, 23.47, 800 or whatever this is, because I would have been interested in this potential idea to fill that wick. But this candle here closed with no top wick, right? So I'm not going to take a buy now. I know that this is now a 50-50 chance. Again, 50-50. It's not like 100% we can't move up. But 50-50 chance. I rather, if this candle had a wick, it'd be more like an 80-20. So I'm not going to settle for a 50-50. If I was going to do that, I'd literally just go to the casino and gamble. So I'm going to wait now for a closure above here. If we can get something like this, this would be ideal, right? So this candle to close bear. Boom. And then the next candle to close bull. And then that should be in time for 9:15, 9:30 here. And then that's where we could take, or that's where I'll take my buy. Right? Because now we got a new support. We also got a fresh breakout. And bullish bias here, right? Because we could expect the new 4 hour to create a top wick. So we're going to see what's up with that. As of right now, though, just nothing really happened. Can you show me the support and resistance on the 4 hour charts? Yes. So 4 hour. Yeah, so that's another thing. Right now, this 4 hour candle right here is currently right in this mess here, right? So we don't know what this candle wants to do. So the previous 4 hour candle did close below this range, right? It's this candle right here, and then that's why you seen that wick get filled. That's why I had sell stops earlier to basically fill the wick, and that was it. You know, I didn't expect this big move here, especially with all this mess going on to the left. So yeah, so can we say the 4 hour has tapped target? Right? Can that be our claim here, that this 4 hour candle was designed to, if it closed below, it was designed, the next one was designed to fill the wick, right? And then retest support levels. So that has happened already. So will the candle continue running down, right? Is there a higher probability that it will continue moving down, or a higher probability that it'll move up, right, during this high time of volume? So I think right now we're going to get a clue. You got 820 coming up here. So we'll see how we do on this 820 push, and if we can get above and get a closure, then that would be exciting. Where's AB Mike? AB Mike, where are you? Oh, John Stewart's in the house. Yeah, 820 pushing us down here. So again, if we can get this candle, that would be so lovely for this candle to close with no bottom wick, and then boom, a nice closure here. Then we could take this up. We got no news here at 8:30 either. Buzz Blab. Let's get my boy. What up, John Stoop? Oh, let me bring John up. What up, John? Welcome in.
Oh, yo. Monday. What up, Nick? Happy Monday, bro.
Happy Monday. How
Let's
you
go.
doing?
Doing amazing.
Great to see you here
for
today.
A new day.
Facts.
Sir.
We got 820 here. Will we push up? Will we push down? What's it going to be for 820?
Let's get it. Good morning, chat. Happy Monday. Hope you guys are doing amazing. Feeling incredible.
Feeling the beat. Me and John were hanging out last night.
Yes, sir.
Took those Asian cells. Asian.
Yeah, really nice cells.
Your boy's in the Asian session nowadays, man. Catch me in the Asian channel.
Catch us everywhere.
We're all over, man. Maybe we'll pop into London soon. We'll see.
Yeah, maybe.
Johnny Sunshine, I like that. He does bring a nice sunshine to the room. Any room he walks into.
Thank you. What up, Energy? Good, Dominic. OGH. Nello, what up? What up?
If you guys have just arrived, we're doing the giveaway here. If you don't know, go comment on the latest video I posted. It's called Top 1 Trader Review. Go leave a comment there. That's how you're going to enter to into the giveaway. And then you also just have to be subscribed to the channel. Yeah, sub to the channel and leave a comment on that stream. And if you're feeling really giving today, like I am, then give the stream, give the stream a like too, but give that video a like as well. Yeah, hit me with the 1, 2, 3, the sub, the like, and the comment. Holy, that's how you can support the channel. Right, John?
Oh, yes, sir.
That's good. What'd you guys do after you left last night?
Just chilled. I went home and went to sleep.
Nice.
Yeah.
Very good.
Sir, what about you? Put the kiddos to sleep?
Yep, and I went to sleep myself.
Yes.
I was out like a light. One, two, three, grand salami. Yeah. Sandman.
Hey, yo, what up, Sandman?
See, nothing just yet on NAS. See, we did break the high, and now we're coming back down here on the 4 hour. We discussed all of this in the breakdown when we did the top-down analysis today. If you guys missed that, go back and give it a watch. TK is in the house. There he is.
Yo, what's good, TK?
TK. How you doing?
Yo, Dominic, that's funny, dude. You're too funny, man.
Yeah. Dominic's gonna co-host. Dominic's an 8-figure TTE trader, man. He might be the co-host of the London sesh with Johnny Gems one day. Holy, a lot of 8-figure traders in the house here today. It's just I'm just
Get it,
privileged to be in y'all's presence. I really am.
Facts.
Can you start the giveaway? Yeah, we'll start in a few minutes. Hang tight. If you guys haven't commented on that video, comment on the video before we get started. Yeah, we'll start it in a few minutes, so comment now and we will get rolling. Let me just mark this off. This was
Yup, that's it. Energy on the hunt. On the hunt for the playbook setup. That's it.
on the hunt again. Let's see, where is it? Oh, my wedding anniversary is coming up.
Hey. How many years?
4. Yeah, 4.
Sheesh.
No, 5 actually. Yeah, 5.
Yeah, no, I was just about to say.
5th year. Yeah. Year 5.
Congrats, dude.
Thank you.
Welcome.
Five
5 years and counting. Let's get it. Yo, let's get Alexandros. What's good, brother?
Yes, sir, man. Shout out to Anna. Shout out to all the wives, man. It's not easy to be married to a winner, right? That's not me being like I win at everything, but a winner who always tries to win, who always tries to excel. You know, a lot of times they're going to be focused on the mission, you know, focused on the vision, and it takes a strong gal to raise the family, take care of the things that need to be taken care of, and that gal deserves extremely special attention at all times. And you know, men, you guys, you know, we're out here grinding like crazy, right? And really focused. But today, you know, maybe give your wife some attention and see what you could do for her, and if there's something missing, and you know, just kind of communicate a little bit, right? Because we can kind of, and we're doing it for the right reasons, right? We're doing it for our wives and for our family, but you know, it's always good to step back and say, you know, how you doing, right? How you doing? How can I help? Just be a good ear.
Big facts.
Shout out to Anna. May 5th is my 5th year anniversary. Hey, that's a good date. That's a good date. Yeah, so that candle came up, gave us a top wick there, and now it's remaining above here. So you got a 30 close in about 1 minute. Exactly. Step back and just be like, hey, honey.
How you doing?
How you doing? Say, what do you want to do?
Get her like some flowers tonight. You know, some chocolate. The
For
little
no
things.
reason. For no reason.
The little
Say-
things count. She'll feel so special.
Gentlemen, I got you right now. Stop what you're doing. Don't worry about this trade. Screw this candle closure. Call up the flower or the fruit basket place right now. Get your wife some flowers and some fruit delivered straight to her job, so you can make her feel special today and show everyone how you're the big Tarzan alpha. Yeah, do it. You'll thank me tomorrow, gentlemen. Bring it all. Thank me tomorrow. Best of luck tonight.
Yeah, good luck.
Have fun. Oh, don't tell me another closure with no top wick and below the range. Yeah. Yeah, so...
Little topic.
Yeah, not liking this from basically here to here. We're kind of caught up in this range right now. So nothing there for me, unfortunately. Gonna have to wait for another candle here. But once we get out of this box, I think we're good to go. Because we don't want to take a buy, right? Because we know that we're potentially looking for sells and a fake out, right? Because if we're pretty bearish, right, then we want to make sure that we're above here, right? Closing above, because we don't want to see something like this while we get into a buy somewhere in this area. Could it go up here? Absolutely. Absolutely. But not looking the greatest. You're buying your girl a Mustang tomorrow. W.
That's a tricky one.
I'm buying my girl a she doesn't know it yet, but a Grand Jeep Cherokee. You guys have seen that car? It's enough to fit the fam. It's actually hard trying to find a car that can really fit everyone, especially with car seats and all that.
Word.
Hey, W Lily. With a rose. Holla. Tahoe, yeah, it kind of does look. I mean, yeah, I think the Grand Cherokee is nice and like stretched out. So kind of now that you say that, it does look something like a Tahoe.
Yeah, Peraz. Do your thing.
There you go, brother. Whatever floats your boat, my friend. Oh, sorry, Alexandros. Yeah, this is the video to comment on if you guys want to enter into the giveaway right here. So it's a video I just did. I just dropped it this morning. Oh, nice. Yeah, so you guys are starting to comment. If you guys want to enter for a free 25K evaluation account from Top One, just leave a comment anywhere. Just leave any comment. If you guys are working with Top One, let us know how you like Top One. But other than that, just leave a comment, and we're gonna pick. We're gonna do the random pick giveaway thingy-majiggy. Yeah, we'll do it in a little bit. Yeah, no, the biggest thing about the the Jeep Grand Cherokee is that row in the back where we get all the car seats, and the fact that it has those captain seats. Is that what they're called? Captain seats? That was big for us. We needed that. What were you gonna say, John?
No, I was just gonna say, what up, my brother Wags? How you doing, bro?
Wags. Yeah, I would say potential buys above here. Let's see the 4 hour. So the 4 hour is doing what we want it to do. It's just unfortunate we're getting really crappy closures here on the 15. I'll buy a pink Porsche. All right, give me 1 sec. I'll be right back. 1 minute.
Yo, what's good, Louis G? Yo, anyone take these buys, chat? Yeah, Rodell. Thank you, God, for a new day. Praise Jesus. Nice, you took the buys. Nice, nice. Yo, what's good, Z Gamer? Did I take the sales in London? No, I didn't. Did you? How'd it work out? It looked like good sales. Yo, Greenery. What's good, Green? What's good, Joseph? Nice, you did. Very, very low risk. Nice. Hey, at least you executed.
Joey Stu check. Joey Stu check. Joey Stu check. How come I don't come online during Asian? What up? What up, Andrew? Asian's tough for me to live stream because I'm hanging out with the fam. Like, you know, yesterday we were all chilling. And it's just not my ideal trading time. But I will, like, what I do is if I'm not on like the live stream, I'll mark up my charts and then I'll just look every 15, 20 minutes to see how candles are closing. So that's typically what I do during Asian session.
Let's go.
They cancel it quick. Yeah, I remember MFF, man. The moment you hit stops or that 5% drawdown, that thing was gone.
That was so trash.
That thing was gone. But if you won,
And the email
Yeah.
would come right away. But
Email
if you
was-
passed,
I
if you
know.
passed like phase 1 or phase 2, it would take like an hour.
That email was instant on them breach accounts, man. Asian is 7 p.m. to 4 a.m. Asian, yeah, but I think the best trading times in Asian would probably be like 7 to like 10 p.m. And then after that, probably settle down, wait for the London session.
Asian's been good.
Asian been good. Last two Sundays I took
So
trades,
is after-
man. Sheesh.
So is like after London closed, been pretty good. Seems like.
Yep. Yeah, 10 a.m., 10:30, 11. Yep. Oh, almost 400 comments on that top one review video, but only 157 likes. Sheesh, y'all ain't trying to hit me with that three-peat today, huh? I can't earn the three-peat, eh? The sub, the comment, and the like. I gotta do
The man
better.
with the like.
I guess I gotta do better, John.
You do, I guess.
Do better,
If
Nick.
that's the feedback.
Do better, Nick Stewart.
And my man with the likes, come on now, chat. Come on now.
Hey, W. Alexandros. That's a good mindset. Send the link. Here's the link. There's the link. There's the link. Boom, boom, boom. All right, let's see what's going to happen here, how we react towards 2348. We're really looking for resistance at the end of the day. I mean, obviously, I want to see if we could potentially take sells here on the next 4-hour candle.
Super bearish, seems like.
Yeah. But then again, the idea of the daily potentially kind of tapping target here, I think we still got room to go. Right? If we really want to move bearish today, we should be able to come down into this wick rejection area, and that right there is our target anyway. So we'll see. We'll see if we can get resistance now. Can I use Trade Locker for top one? Yes. I believe that's going to be next week. I think it was supposed to be this week, but they're still doing some maintenance and testing it all. So I'm actually going to give Clay a call today and chop it up with him a bit. So I'll see what's up with that. Imagine this daily still flips. Yeah.
Let's get out of the Reza. Pop.
Yeah, you can't win if you're not subbed. So we've had to take some challenges back from some people when we found out they weren't subbed. So you gotta sub. We'll give you the chance to sub before we take it back, but all right, you're sub. So you gotta sub either way. You know, you might as well just do it now. Heavy rejection off of 48 though here.
Down.
Daily flip 5. Yo, daily flip is insane. She. FVG rejection. Let's go. Yup, rejection. Yeah, that's why it's you always got to be locked in on your ranges, man. All right, we could have easily taken buys there. But it goes against the plan. And we got to follow the plan, right, John?
Yes, sir. That's the most important part of today. That is our job as professional traders, is to follow our plan.
It is. And as we see, execution, man. That's our edge. I think the only thing we were missing from the beginning of the year was just a little bit more execution. Yep. That's it.
That's it, bro. That's it.
Yeah, let's take a buy now for the daily flip. Post in the Discord later. 500 pips in profit. Nas bouncing around here. So yeah, once you get a break out of this range here, 4-hour candles closing in 15 minutes on Nas. If you close bullish, there's high chance we move up today. We still need a 15 closure above the range here, but if you do close bullish just like this, you know, you get a closure and then your entry will most likely be on the break of the previous high now, which is this current high, and it should be a goner. Should at least come up to fill this wick and then potentially back up towards like 17,260.
Yep. It's 4 hours breaking highs as well.
Yep. Anyone tell you that you feel different? I don't think anyone could tell me I feel different because they can't feel me. You feel me? That's good, Grid. My man, Grid. I definitely do feel good. I definitely do feel in flow. It's good to finally, like, you know, had a new baby and moved and all that stuff. So there's a lot of stuff that comes with all that. So it feels good to have that all out of the way and be back in like my routine, back in rhythm. And that's typically when I perform best in all areas of life. Up 8.5% from Friday. Nice, man. Jabber, let's go.
Yes, sir.
W.
Yeah, that talk with the 8-figure trader helped tremendously as well.
Oh yeah. Yeah, seek mentorship, my friends. That's something I'm very good at, is seeking out mentorship. I'm not afraid to go look for help. You know, I think that holds a lot of people back.
Facts.
Also had a good conversation with Raja, and that was fun. He hooked me up with some stuff. Can the daily flip bullish after this month with no news? The daily, wait. Can the daily flip bullish after this move? I mean, anything is possible, you know, but is it likely? I doubt it. I doubts it. You can't tell me nothing. Yeah, but I would say, you notice how we don't have a top wick? So at some point later on, we should be back up here. What would be awesome for the daily is if we can move down, or I'm sorry, this is the weekly. If we can kind of push down here, that'd be great, right? And kind of create these new ranges. Would love to see like maybe us close like this. Maybe even below the range. This. And then move down again. And now we got a lot of range to move back up, right? So now we're like way out of the all-time highs here. And we can begin to start to trade some new ranges. But we'll see. One hour moving back down now. 15 close with no bottom wick right at support. So we're not getting the best 15 closures here at all. So we just got to be patient.
Well, yeah, Peraz, that's the thing. You know, sometimes price will do things that will make literally no logical sense whatsoever, have you scratching your head and being like, what the hell, right? And you think you're a loser, but it's literally just a data point, right? If you have a probabilities mindset, right, you understand that each trade has a random outcome, right? The wins and losses are distributed randomly, right? So it doesn't have to make sense, you know. You just got to keep executing on that edge, and time is your edge.
Yep. You don't.
Okay, take losses.
Yep. You don't have to know what's going to happen next in order to make money.
Oh.
Exactly.
Remember, honestly, the hardest.
Go ahead.
Sorry.
Go ahead.
The hardest part about the journey of success is not the work. It's not doing the work. It's doing the internal work, you know, conquering yourself, conquering your mind, thinking the right thoughts, speaking the right words. That's going to be your biggest challenge on your journey to success, because at any point during a trial or tribulation, you can grow weary, right? You can start to think negatively and start acting negatively and just quitting, right? So if you can think the right thoughts, speak the right words, develop the right frameworks, right, you will attract this stuff too. You attract success. All right, so that's the hardest part, is conquering your mind, conquering yourself. If you can conquer your mind and the words you speak to yourself, you know, you will attract success way quicker than someone who's not doing that, right? And don't give up. That's the biggest thing I think about the journey to success, is conquering your mind. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
We're bleeding.
Yo, that's funny.
Damn, Perez. Sheesh. Perez, man. Where's that wrench at? Do you ever use volume in that analyst? Not really. No, I just use the time as volume. So I know that like right now there's a lot of volume in this hour candle because it's a NY open candle, but the volume's all over the place here. The volume's all over. Nice. Wow, what was this? 70 pip move here. Amen. Flabberdoodle. I like that name. Flabberdoodle. Yeah, so we broke the lows there. So closed bullish, right? So we closed below that range there. So there was no buys for us because we're heavily bearish here. Heavily bearish on the 4 hour and on the daily at this point. 1 hour also closed bear as well. So there was no chance of us taking that buy unless we got an actual closure above there. But that never happened. Didn't happen on this candle. Didn't happen on this candle. And then this one rejected here. Closed with no bottom wick as support. So nothing we could do about that one. Hold on one sec, chat. Right back.
Yes, sir, Sebastian. That's key, bro. Patience is key, man. Every day, I understand that, all right, when I come to the markets, I have a job to do as a trader, right? And that job is to follow my edge. But I have to follow that edge with patience and discipline. I must. Major key. Yeah, so any new beginner traders, you know, when I was very new, starting out, I focused, every day I came to the charts, I really focused in on following my plan with patience and discipline, right? If I wasn't patient and disciplined, I was focused on developing the skill sets to be patient and disciplined, right? Because that's going to be key in this trading game. And maybe gold could pull back for us here. What would I say a good plan is? Learning a trading strategy, a trading edge, and following it, right? Collecting data that maybe you can get to make it better. But I would say really learning a trading edge and being disciplined to it. Like for me, I have a set, like I have a playbook of candlestick patterns that I follow, right? And I gotta follow that plan. That's my plan to execute on my playbook setups. So I mean, I would definitely like develop a playbook of setups to follow and be disciplined to. And that's what I do. Right. And then of course there's other stuff like, you know, like I'm using the higher time frames to, you know, get a bias and stuff, get direction. And that's where I'll typically look for my playbook setups. And my setup is just simply a candlestick pattern, right? That I'm waiting on. Yo, what's good, YOLO trader? What's up, bro? Yeah, Faraz, bro, you're good. You're good, dog. Yeah, man, as traders, you know, we need to understand that losses are literally a part of the game. Like, when I pursued full-time trading, I totally understood that, you know, losses are going to be part of the job. Did I want them to be? No, but I knew like what trading was capable of doing and what it was capable of doing for me in my life. So, you know, you have to develop the skills of being okay with losses, understand that it's part of the job, it's part of the process, right? I knew that, okay, there's a process of me growing, for an example, a $5,000 account into 50,000, right? There's a process to that. So in that process, I'm going to experience drawdowns and losses. That's a-okay, right? That's part of the process of me growing my account and compounding it, are those losses. So when I take a losses, I understand, one, that it's part of the job, and two, that it's part of the process of me multiplying my account, you know? So, you know, if you're not a, listen, there's a great quote, and actually when I was having a conversation with an 8-figure trader, he said, you got to be a great loser to be a long-term winner, straight up. Straight up. So if you can't handle losses, and if you're not okay with losses and you can't develop the skill of that, don't trade, right? Because there's gonna be losses plenty of times. It's part of the game. So if you're trying to be a great trader and you're getting really down on yourself with losses, then you need to work right now. You need to work on developing the skills of being able to take losses on the chin. You know, I mean, if you need to size down or something, do that, but you need to be okay with losses. Yeah, and yeah, Mangus, I really like that, you know, like stop with the negative self-talk, you know, even in trading, right? Speak positively in trading, like, okay, today's gonna be a great day. I'm gonna look for a great setup. You know, don't be negative with it.
Johnny dropping gems out here. Kingston is awoken. Maybe he's bringing all his
Kingston?
volume in. I don't know.
I don't know.
Yes, sir. Can you lose? Anyone who can't lose is going to get mad at that. They're going to say something stupid in their own brain or maybe even in the chat because they can't handle losses. They can't handle the losses.
Yeah. Gotta be a great loser to be a long-term winner.
I mean, if you can't handle losses, how do you expect to get anywhere? Right? Best loser wins. Doesn't matter if this is in trading or in business or in athletics. My mentor would say, Nick, you show me someone who's never failed, I will show you a failure. Failure leads to success. It's just how it is. Don't ask me why, how. It's just how the game goes. So you got to be able to stay composed through adversity, man.
Yes, sir.
All right.
Yes, sir.
So we're going to do a quick top-down analysis, a fresh analysis here, just so we can get a idea where we're at now in this 4-hour closure, right? So just looking at the daily. We know that we've kind of pushed down, we've broken through the lows. If there was any target to tap, it's going to be somewhere within this range right here, right? Now that we're all the way down here. So we have a very, very bearish candle on our hands currently, and we've broken through all the lows. So I think based off the daily here, we could say we're officially bearish, right? But now the question comes in, will we pull back, right? So let's go take a look at the 4-hour. 4-hour candles have moved down. Looks like you actually did close below support now. So you did close below the next support. So here was your first support, right? So you closed below this guy here. Right here. Closed below. You filled the range. Now we've officially closed below this guy here. And now you have this new range and this wick to fill, in which we've talked about potentially filling this wick since early morning time, right? So that's kind of what our target could be at this point. I do expect to see a top wick, right? So let's go ahead and see what the 1 hour looks like. 1 hour, I would expect to see a top wick as well. And then this is probably going to be the destination, right? Right back into these lows. So are those, yeah, those are last week's lows as well. So if we could break those weekly lows here, that would be amazing. Now, how do we play this, or how am I going to play this? So you got resistance, or you got some support right here. You've got this range back above. Going to pay attention a little bit to the 15-minute time frame now, right? So notice how this candle closed pretty strong bearish below, but it's got no top wick. So if we can get somewhat of like a 15 celery play where price does move up really quick to create this high, right, and then come back down and close something like this, that's where I am going to look to have a sell stop on the break of this low right here. Right there. All right. For price to continue down, tap into that wick zone, and then that's where I'm closing. So if it continues to drive further, that's what's up, but that's going to be my target, and that's what I'm going to look for here. So just got to be patient with this 15-minute candle, and then most likely have some sell stops here. Yeah, other than that, I would probably look for buys potentially back above this range here. So if you can get a closure now back above 23.47, then buys look pretty good. If not, I'm going to look for fake outs to move back down here. Yeah, and look, this is the 15 time frame. Even if we can get something like this where we actually get some structure to go with it, closure, closure, and then resistance right here. Now we have some more sells ahead of us. So those are the plans here for me, and that's what I'm going to wait for. The Eagle 4000 is calling. It's calling for the entry. Have you guys commented? We're giving away these accounts in a few minutes. So if you guys haven't, if you guys have just arrived here, because a lot of people come in around 9:30, because they know that that's when we tend to take our trades. We're doing five 25K challenge account giveaways today. So you got to go to this new video I just dropped, leave a comment, and sub to the channel, and you will have your chance to win. Yes, the video right here. Let me send you guys the link. Boom. Leave a comment, and that's all you got to do. Don't forget to sub to the channel, because if you're not subbed, we can't give you the account. We can't do it. 15-minute week confirmation. 15-minute confirmation when you're tiptoeing around 9, 9:15, 9:30, and 9:45. I've learned to use in a way that benefits me. So that's why I will look for that 15. If not, I'll just wait on the 30 because the 30 is going to be my favorite confirmation. But during these times, I've learned how to maneuver the 15 a bit in order to catch either to get ahead of the volume, to get in with the volume, or to catch like the tail end of that volume. Because we all know that this 9 a.m. candle is going to be one of the big boys most days. Yeshua's king and soon returning. Amen. Keyword soon. Coming soon. Coming soon, ladies and gents. Are you ready? How come we're not going to look for the range too? Oh, on the buys? So I think we're good. If we can push up through that, most likely we're not going to get something like this to happen. So let's say candle closes and boom, just like this. So I'm assuming when we do close above there, it's going to be a little bit different, right? So we're going to have a new range where you'll most likely get something like this, right? Something like that. And then you'll get that closure above. So I think we're going to either way get a range too, or a new range to form that we can confidently act on, right?
Yeah, that's a good question. You know, the idea is to be fluent, you know, with the charts, you know, and the direction is bearish. It seems like on the higher time frames, but the bearish bias also hit also tap target, right? So when you tap target, you could see a pullback at that point.
Mm-hmm.
So that's the idea, is to be fluent with the markets.
Yep. Fluent. So we want to be able to bounce with it, you know, just stay in flow.
Yeah. Just want to follow price.
Yeah, that's so true, Jedi. A lot of people have this like misconception of what trading is, full-time trading is, profitable trading is. Like, you could easily, when you're in a conversation, you could easily understand who's actually doing it and who's just quaking and hating, because the real full-time trader understands that. You know, they understand that it's going to be up and down. It's going to be rewards. Like, the funniest question is like, hey, Nick, when did you become a profitable trader? It's like, I don't know, maybe on my second trade, maybe my third trade, I got a profitable trade in. Like, profitable trading in a way is, it's not what you think it is. You know, I don't know how to explain it. It's like, it's not like you're going to win every trade or even win every day or even win every month, or sometimes you may lose in the quarter. Hey, some of the guys that I talk to, the older guys, they got a lot of gray hair on their head. I typically like to listen to guys who have gray hair on their head. They'll tell you, hey, dude, we've had losing years, right? And have still came out on top overall, right? It's nothing. If you have, like, let's say you're trading for 35 years, you may have a couple years that are losing years, you know? So it's not what you think it is.
Not facts, man, because I see a bunch of BS out there on like social media about full-time trading, and it's all cap, honestly.
It's cap.
Yeah, Jedi. There you go.
What's up, Tyler? Yeah, right? Trading is boring. When you're trading alone, it's so boring. If I was trading alone,
sure Jedi
probably would have took like 10 trades in.
Yeah, Jedi, I'm sure that when you went from that corporate job to full-time trading, tell me not that was the best decision you've ever made in your life. Tell me like it feels amazing.
And in the moment, it was probably the toughest.
Yeah. Because you're thinking stress, right? You're thinking, oh, what if this, what if that? But like, you also understand that it's just like any other job out there, to be honest, right? Like, all jobs will have some stress to it, you know. All jobs have a role to follow, a job to do. So I think full-time trading is just like any full-time job out there.
Ditto. I always tell the elites, man, when they come in the door, it's like, hey, I want you to be prepared. This is going to be the hardest thing you ever did in your life. You could back out now. I got you. It's not a problem. You want to continue going? Or you want to back out here? Right? Because it's going to be hard, man. It's going to be tough. But if you have a good mentor and a good coach and someone who can talk you through things, it's a lot easier. So don't shy away from that, you know. Look for help.
Yeah.
Trading Cafe. Hey, let's go. Welcome to the Trading Cafe. We're going to be testing out crumble cookies today. No, just kidding. Have you done the giveaway yet? No, we're going to do the giveaway here. Let's just see what's going to happen here, and then we'll get to the giveaway. Yeah, all you have to do is comment, subscribe to the channel, comment on my most recent video, Top 1 Trader Review. That's the name of it. Drop a comment there. We're going to pick 5 winners out of that comment section.
Yo, what up, Andrew? Andrew in the chat. But bro, hell yeah, bro. That's facts. That's facts. That's why it was so quick, you know, for me to make that leap. Because I don't want to work a 9 to 5 for the rest of my. Scared the absolute, you know, crap out of me. So I understood, like, bro, I gotta be disciplined. I gotta be a disciplined trader, or else I'm gonna work at my 9 to 5 for the rest of my life, and that scares me.
Yeah, man. Some of you guys got more faith than me. You guys got more faith than me to put your future in the hands of some boss. I'll be honest. Like John said, that scared the daylights out of me. And I wasn't going to let that happen, man. That was my biggest nightmare. Some people are motivated by the dream. Some people are motivated by the nightmare. I think I'm a little bit of both, but I'm certainly motivated by the nightmare of having to live a life that I don't agree with.
And those who are scared of taking, you know, a risk versus, you know, staying at your job, I'm going to leave you with the quote that Earl Nightingale said to me. And that was, you know, the people who think they're playing it safe are actually taking the biggest risk. And the people who are taking the biggest risk are actually playing it safe. So that quote hit me. That quote really hit me. So whoever needs to hear that, it's for you.
Full margin on your life.
The biggest risk is not taking any risk. That's for sure.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Z Gamer. It's that energy.
Yeah, man.
Hell yeah, Andrew. Hell yeah.
Yeah, some of you guys are in a low too in life, and the cool part about a low is that you can only go up from there. You know, unless you hold yourself down there, you can only go up if you trust the plan, trust the vision, and begin to act on it and take the risk on it. You can only go up. Literally, I remember one of my lowest points of life. I was down in the dump, man. I had no money. I couldn't afford my rent. My wife was working a job. I was trying to put things together, and man, it was tough. I was so depressed. I literally just went for a walk into town to see if someone could help me out, someone could cheer me up. And I remember I went down there was some dude preaching in the middle of the street on like one of those megaphones, and I went over to him and I told him exactly what was going on, and I asked for prayer. And it's crazy, man, like crazy stuff. And like I remember a homeless guy came up to me after that. They were like, "Are you a Christian? I seen you talking to that preacher." And I'm like, yeah. He's like, all right, you got $5? I'm like, bro, you got more money than me right now. Trust me, bro. I was like, I got about $5. I'm down to like split a slice of pizza with you. And me and this homeless guy went to the pizzeria and we just had pizza together, man. And that was like one of the lowest points. And I'm like, I need to dig myself out. I know I can. I got the vision. I got the dream. I got to put my trust in the Lord's plan here and make it happen. And yeah, that's where we slowly started to come up.
Sir.
And if you like your job, then stick with it. Just do trading on the side.
Yeah, I was just gonna say that, Joe Fargo. There's literally no right or wrong. You know, whatever works best, whatever's doing really good in your life, that's fine. You know, I'm talking to the people out here who don't want to work.
Hmm. You can do it, yeah.
Yeah, awareness. That's the big thing here is the plan, right? If I was working a 9 to 5 right now and I was just getting into trading, I would literally write out a plan on how I'm about to go from quitting my job to full-time trading and not do that prematurely. I would write out a plan and follow it.
All right, will we have a celery play on our hands here? We did make that top wick. Yeah, we may wait for the 30, but I think I'm going to have a sell stop for me on the break of that low. Yeah, we may wait on the 30 candle here. Maybe we will, maybe we won't. Let's take a look. Tired? You tired? I feel that. Sometimes you're gonna be tired. Where is this? Yeah, it's not the best trade right here. I think I'm gonna wait. I would much rather try and catch a sell a little higher if we can get it back up here.
Yeah, I'm not liking the left. What's going on to the left side?
How did you deal with the stage of losses before? I just like John said, I knew they were coming. You know, of course they sucked. Like it was frustrating, and all that. But you know, it's the same way I deal with losses today. Only I think I deal with them just a little bit better because I know that, you know, it's a numbers game. But if you could just understand your system and what's the fruit of it, right? Do you have a 60%? Do you have a 50? Do you have a 80, right? And then you can set your expectations properly for how many losses you may get, and all that good stuff. But like I said, like we were the whole theme of recently is like you gotta be a good loser. You gotta fail to succeed. Unfortunately, that's how it goes. That's why most people won't take the run for success, you know, because they hit a couple failures and no one likes to fail, but that's why it's an empty road at the top, because the few that are willing to fail will live up there.
Yes, sir. I think being like the percentages of like people being a great trader is just like the percentage, you know, of people going to the NBA or like professional sports. You know, you got to be the best at what you do. You got to be really good at what you do, and you got to be in that small percentage of people who are elite, right? So you got to do the things that 10% or 5% are doing, and do the opposite of the rest of the masses, right? The 95%. That's major key.
Major. Yep. If the average person doesn't like failure, that should tell you you should love failure. You should like it. You should embrace it. Learn from it. Grow from it.
Yep.
The Matrix is here. Oh, I'm out. I'll be BRB.
Joe Biden for president. How long should he stay on demo before entering real account? Um, Good question, brother. I think everyone's different. Me personally, I spent 6 months paper trading. You know, not like just on a demo or just taking trades in my mind. But you could also you could start with like $10 in an account, you know, or $100. Get some real skin in the game, learn some skill sets. You could paper trade, but I don't know. I would say about 3 to 6 months. You know, really collect your data, understand what you're doing, right? Because the thing with demo is you don't really get the emotions, but you really get to learn the technical parts. You really get to understand what you're doing, right, in the game, right? How am I gonna trade? You know, what setups am I looking for? How do I mark down my charts, right? You really get to learn that in the demo stage. So, I mean, however long it takes you to learn the technical part of trading is when you should go from demo to real account. But you know, understand when you make that leap from demo to real account, if you're gonna do that, you haven't really felt the emotions. So I would say handle the demo account like it's the real account. But I would say when you make that leap, go start with a little smaller account. Give yourself some months to prove yourself you're a good trader, because an account's an account. It doesn't matter if it's small or big. Trade that account like any other account and prove to yourself that you're really good at what you do. And then fund yourself with some more capital. And follow the skill sets of professional traders.
Yeah, it could be so simple. If you just look at successful people and follow what they do, life could be so dang simple, man. The problem is most of us listen to our mom and our dad and our cousin and our brother and our friend from high school, and we don't focus on that successful individual that we imagine ourselves being. So if you can just stay locked in and focus on what successful traders do, focus on what successful athletes do, whatever game you're playing. If you're in the fitness game, focus on what people who have good physiques do, right? And then you can just you can have anything you want, right? If you do what they did, you can have what they have. The problem is Joe Stewart comes over on Saturday night, and he says, "Who wants Cold Stone? Anybody up for Crumble?" And that's your test. That's your test right there. And John, not gonna lie, John wins the test every time. Me, I be budging, so I'm like, Joey Stu, let's do it. But John, he gets it, man. He gets it. Boy don't cheat. He don't break. He don't break. And then when you have a bunch of people who are all in sync making each other better, it's like if you're out there all alone, and this is why association is so important, because if you have a group of people you're doing this with, it gets much easier for you to break. It's like a pencil. You can easily put one pencil and snap it in half, right? But try putting like 25 pencils all stacked up and try and snap that in half. Very difficult, right? So associating with people and having other people to work with and that friendly competition, that's where that friendly comp comes in, right? Friendly competition won't let you cheat or won't let you go down that road that leads to destruction.
Oh my God, bro, that's major key, bro.
Yeah, man, you got to have that group, you know, that you can really count on. That if it wasn't for the group that I had, you know, in my early 20s, I would have probably failed many times and faltered and backed out or something. So very, very important to have that group of people, and that's why we have the live stream going, is hopefully we can kind of provide some sort of environment for you know, for it to help you guys. Iron sharpens iron.
Hey man, there's a reason I give Nick a call, you know, every day, right? That's to mastermind with him, to pick his brain, to feed off of him. And yeah, you need that. I think that's major key, like to have, like that's a definite relationship you need.
I want to take a trade. Somebody talk me out of it, please. What are you trying to take, man? What are you trying to take? Talk to me. Maybe I'll get in. Maybe you could rub me the right way. Maybe you can influence me.
Fiending for a trade.
I'm scratching. I'm itching and scratching. It's Monday, baby. Send the signal, Henry. Let's get it.
Bro, I've been fiending for a trade since Friday, y'all. Itching.
Scratching.
Drooling.
Can you do a lecture job as well. Your communication skills, yeah. Thanks, Sammy Pips. Yeah, we got some lectures. We do some boot camps. We I'll probably if you guys wanna discuss different like topics and stuff together, let me know. Maybe we'll start doing some things like that as we cruise into the year here into May and all that. Maybe we'll get together. We'll talk about different topics and all that good stuff. You got 5 minutes for a 30 closure here. Already blew my card today? Oh, car. You mean your account? I don't have to worry about it now. Three hours of stream with no signals. Some days. Some days. No, that's how it is some days. But why are you looking for a signal? What are you doing? Why are you looking for a signal, right? Look for some sort of ideas that you can use, right, to generate your own signals. Look for mentality. If you don't trade this certain specific way, look for mentality, right? Mindset. That's what I would be looking for. That's what I'd be looking at. But you're not going to get any signals here. None. Next trade I take, I'm not even going to say it to you. I'm just going to take it. Right, I'm going to tell you right now, hey, in 3 minutes, I might be looking for this 30-minute celery, but, you know, it's not going to be like, all right, everyone, attention, attention,
Sell stops.
everybody. Stop what you're doing. Finish what you're chewing. It's time to trade. Oh, man. You ain't getting no signal.
Chilling.
Put that waffle down.
Everyone put a sell stop and have full margins. Get it. We running, boys.
Oh, man. The Quakers are the best, man. Oh, bro, you lost that trade. It's like, yeah, dude, I lose trades, bro.
Like, well, who are you, Mr. Perfect?
Oh,
We got Mr. Perfect in the chat.
yeah. All right, you're laughing, Ellie? Ellie, as long as I can get you to laugh, that's a W. Good day. Good day. Good deal. Good deal, Ellie. Thanks for providing us with some entertainment. W. W, Ellie. All right, 9:30 is upon us here. Oh, you better not close with no wick. You better not close with no wick. This candle closed with no wick, it's giveaway time. Very interesting stream. I dig it. I dig it. Amen. There you go, Henry Hustle. AB Mike is in the house. What up, AB Mike? How you doing? Finish what you're chewing.
It's trash gold.
Finish what you're chewing.
There you go. Make sure to put on stop.
Can we make a top wick? Can we make a top wick? Give us a top wick, gold. Flip. Perfect. Top wick is in place. Let's see what we do. Come on, Goldie. I see you. What up, TK? TK in the house. Yeah, entry's potentially on the break of that 4-hour low too, so we'll see. We'll see. If you have trades open, can you show your TP? Yeah, so everything's right here. So TP, entry, and then sorry, TP, stops, and then entry. Yeah, this is a potential 30-minute celery based off 30-minute time frame. Based off the 4-hour being pretty bearish here. It's the break of the 4-hour lows, break of the 1-hour lows, break of the previous 30 lows, and break of that 15 wick down there. So if we do decide to move down, we should get a push. And I'm going to use, yeah, current candle stops. Current candle stops here on 9:30. I would be expecting to see a strong push. If we come back up and break the high, it just wasn't our trade to win. Or my trade. My trade. It's going to be a weenie top wick. A weenie. Took sells on US 30. Oh, nice. The Dow, eh? The Dow, nice job. US 30 trades. Beautiful. All right, I think I've been activated here on gold. So got in sells. Stops are kept above the high here. TP is going to be down towards these wicks, but I'm going to close something up right around that zone 23, probably right around 23, 28 there. Yeah, see if we can get a move with volume. Order filled. Yeah, if we get hit, if we break the previous high, I'm getting out there. I'm not going to hold on to this for like these highs up here. I'm just going to, if we break that high during volume, then I don't want to be in the trade anymore anyway at that point. So, yeah. Yeah, we are pretty decent. We are pretty low, but we did create that new resistance there. And we also have volume coming in. So that's the big thing here is the volume. It's sunny today, TK, eh? Very nice. Very good. It's always a good day when it's sunny out there, eh? Rain, rain, go away.
Yeah.
How lonely was the start of my trading? It was a little lonely. I had two buddies that I would trade with every day, so that kind of helped out. But for the most part, it was pretty lonely. It's a lonely game, man. Trading's not an easy game.
Definitely not.
Lots of sun. Yeah, that's true, Forex Guru. Forex Guru. Where's your buddies at now? They still Zoom. They kind of trade a little bit different than me, so they just kind of do their own thing. But I still talk to them. I'm so lonely. I'm so lonely. You listening to that Akon song? Yeah, they trade. They have a little bit of a different trading style, so they kind of do their thing. Nice. Let's go, freedom. Yeah, you may deal with something here, right? Because it's a bit choppy to the left, so that's where the size and the conditionings come in. So, you know, I wouldn't be surprised if we did kind of reject and hold up a little bit in this area, but we do have volume, right? So that's what we're kind of counting on to push us through. So we will we'll see if we get that. Yeah, W. Put the link to the video. Oh yeah, so the giveaway, yeah, we're gonna do a giveaway here in just a little bit. Here's the link for the giveaway. So we're giving away 5 25K challenge accounts here. So that's the link. I just posted it in the chat. All you gotta do is sub to the channel and comment right there, and then you'll have a chance to win. A chance to win. Saw 20 pips. I'm not sure what I got there. I got like 20 right there. Yep.
Yeah,
Got 20 myself.
Wow. These ranges are huge.
Yeah, the ranges are massive. What time does volume come in? Volume comes in here at 9:30, and then you'll get more volume at 9:45. Yep. Yeah. So 20, yeah. Why 9:45? 9:45 is typically like where you're gonna get the tail end of the volume. So like, the reason why I like to dabble with the 15 when it comes to this 9 a.m. candle is because if you can find an entry at 9:15, you can kind of get in before all that volume comes in, and if you're in the right direction, right, you're gonna ride with that volume. If not, then your next 15 closure is gonna be 9:30, right? So if you can get in there now, like we did today, that's where more volume will come in. And then worst case is like you couldn't get an entry due to your entry not presenting itself. That's where you can, you know, potentially get in there at like 9:45 and catch like the tail end of the volume as it finishes off. Yeah, and then don't be surprised if more volume comes in at 10, because we've been seeing a lot of volume dumping in at 10 a.m. now lately. You made our day? Yeah, you did. You made my day, Ellie. Ellie. Trading competition built over trading. Have it in me. Help me, please. Are you getting good results from over trading or bad results? That's the first thing. We have to look at the result of it. So what results are you getting? By the last thing you said, help me, please, I'm assuming that the results aren't the greatest. So examine those results, right? Do you want to continue getting those? If yes, keep over trading. If no, then go down to like 1 or 2, maybe 1 or 2%, not 1 or 2%, but 1 or 2 trades a day, and try and find a sweet spot there.
Yeah, I really like that, and Raja also suggests that, so maybe try that.
Yep. Did we catch a trade yet? I did enter on this 30-minute celery play, but it is pulling back here. So we do have some rejections to the left that may cause us some trouble on this trade, but we do have volume as well coming in, and it's my job here to execute on a 30-minute celery. So that's what I have done. Yeah, I don't care if this trade's a winner. I don't care if this trade's a loser. All I care about is execution. When I focus on executing, that's typically where I'll get the best results. Literally do not care.
Execute.
Yep, don't care if it's a winner or a loser. This win will not make my day, and the loss will not break my day. It's just another trade.
Fire.
If we roll bullish here and break the highs, I don't want to be in this trade anymore anyway, so that's why my stops are sitting there. And yeah.
Yep, stops are meant to protect you, in your account from losing more money.
Yep. Could have potentially used stops up here, but that was going to be way too steep, right? That was like over 100 pips there. Yeah, we have 2 minutes here for a 15 closure. So we'll see how the 15 closes and then kind of get a better read on it. Yeah, there's multiple conditions here, right? There's a couple wicks to the left. We're a little far down at this point, but the 4-hour did close bearish. We may get a push. We broke the lows on our entry there, so would expect to see a push at least down into this gray zone here that I have as like a take profit zone. And yeah, so we'll see. Maybe we could fill that wick, maybe not. But I have to give this a go. It's not even up to me, right? My playbook does the decision making for me. Breached another account. Yikes. Yay. US 30's bleeding. Later. Let's go take a look while we wait on gold. Selling off. Yeah, wow. Look at that. Sheesh. Learned on not letting the losses get to me, not letting them ruin my day. Still feel like wins get to my head. Yeah, like what I think is I didn't win the trade. The probability won the trade for me. The edge, the playbook won the trade for me, not me. So it's like, okay, yeah, I did good. I followed my trading plan. I expect to win when I'm taking a trade. So it's not that I'm so great of what I did that made made me the win or made me the money. It's more so my my system. So I try and keep putting all the wins, all the victory, and all the losses on the system versus on me. And that takes a lot of pressure off of me. That takes a lot of pressure off of the trader. And yeah, and then you don't get too high on the highs, don't get too low on the lows. All right, this 15 is gonna close here. Let's see what's gonna happen. If we break that high, I'm gonna get out. But if we continue down, that'll be great. Could this be the best trade of our lives? Who knows? Maybe not. Maybe not. Let's call it the stick man. Yeah, the stick man does all the work.
Stick move.
Yeah, you could 100% move up here. And I think that got me out. Yeah. Yeah, I think so. So I'm out. So I don't want to be in this trade anymore in terms of a sell. We tried to push down after breaking those lows, but we're not doing it, right? So we're staying now, like we're kind of making this new range here, right? So you got this crappy range here and crappy range here, and just a crappy day. Not the best price action. But 30-minute celery, gotta pop on that. Yeah, I knew the conditions to the left weren't the greatest. I only went one contract size there, and normally I was gonna go two, but when one contract kept current candle stops, and if it didn't work out right there, I really don't want it to be in it anymore. Just a little upset. Top one breached the backup account I was saving. Oh, let me know. Ryan, message me like privately, and I'll see if I can. So you've just been sitting on the account, haven't used it. I could probably get that back for you. Yeah. Yeah, maybe message TK or me.
Yeah, hit the bro up.
Hit the
Get you that
bro.
account back.
Hit the bro. All right, let's mark that one up here. So that was 9. Not many times did we lose on a 930 celery there.
And that goes exactly back to what we were talking about. Sometimes it doesn't make any sense at all. Data point.
Boom. 30-minute celery too. Where is it? Let's see what we will do from here. Yeah, had 54 pip stops.
Yeah, ranges are huge.
I expect, don't ask me how, but every time you size up, the market knows. The market knows. Every time.
Markets always know, bro.
Let's do this. '48th loss in the last, I would say, 14, almost 15 months. What'd I say? 48? 48 loss?
I've not, honestly, I don't know.
Did I say 48, chat? 48, right? Yeah, 48. Boom. Close full at 20 pips. Yeah, we got 20 pips there. We got 20. 22, I think. the Lele volume. Will we still continue down? There's no actual zone here just yet, right? Until this. Yeah, will we come back down? Yeah, Wags, literally, bro, every time. So I figured when I do size up, make it a 30 celery at 9:30 and put the odds in my favor. Wasn't a bad trade. Nah, I love that trade. That was a good trade. 9:30 celery play, bearish day, bearish 4 hour, bearish 1 hour. I would take that again any day. Yeah, the chat. I don't know what's up with the chat on the live on the it froze up like a little while ago. Froze up like an hour and a half ago. Hasn't moved.
That's weird.
Yeah, we're gonna do a giveaway too in just a few minutes, literally now. So if you guys haven't commented on the video just yet, let me send you guys the link one more time, and we're gonna get some giveaways popping off here. So make sure you guys click this link that I'm posting in the chat and just put any comment. It's all good. Oh, nice. Okay, yeah, Matt. Yeah, so Ryan, I would just email them. It looks like Matt did the same and they just reactivated the account. So send them an email, and then if you can't get through to them, let me know and I'll chat. Yeah, nice. I see some of you guys close partials, which is good. Which is good. Yeah, we did see like 20 there. Yeah. Let me check this video out. How many comments we got? We got 531. Okay, cool. So you guys all commented? You guys all left a comment? Where is there was someone asking when's the comment or when's the giveaway going? Yeah, the journal. If you guys want the journal, hit !journal, and then that'll pop it up for you. All right, yeah, let's do it. Let's do it. Let me load up this random pick. A random picker. It knows when I'm coming for it, man.
You doing the giveaway now?
Yes, sir. We do it. We do a little giveaway. !journal. There you go, Ray. See, it's right there. Nightbot spit it out.
Hey, raise a Ray in the chat. Let's get Ray.
Thanks. BLIN. Blin. All right, cool. Let's do this giveaway here. Yeah, we got 5 accounts to give away. 5.
Damn.
I'm gonna need TK. I'm gonna need yeah, if you guys win, here's the rule. If you guys win, you have to tag me. Tag me so I can see it through all the craziness. If you don't tag me, we will be forced to move on to the next individual. Okay? So if you win, write in the chat at Time to Eat Trading. You're so awesome. No, I'm just kidding. Just write Time to Eat Trading in the chat at me so it pops up, all right?
So amazing.
You're so amazing, man.
You're a life changer.
All
Don't know
right.
how I do it, how you.
You guys ready? Look at just like TK did it. There you go. Perfect example at Time to Eat Trading. I go on different streams. They call me TTE. They go, hey, what's up, TTE? I'm like, bro, my name's Nick.
Yeah, right.
Yo, Time to Eat Trading. How you doing today? Fantastic.
Name's Nick.
It's Mr. Nick to you.
It's a mystery. Time to eat to you.
Oh, man. All right, maybe we should have never told people to tag me.
You made a mistake. It's all good. We're all human.
All right, never mind. Don't tag me. Only winners. Only winners. Don't be those kids that got yelled out in gym class. Don't be like me in 7th grade at gym. You little troublemakers.
I think gym class was the biggest scam, I think, out of all of them.
Especially when your teacher was like 600 pounds. What the heck?
That's why I'm saying it's a scam.
You're my gym teacher, huh? Eh?
You walk some laps, Mr. Gym Teacher, around the freaking track.
Mr. Wilson. You guys ever seen Dennis the Menace? Mr. Wilson. Would I win all the trades if I didn't use stop loss? Yes. All of them.
But one trade blows his account, so
But I would have never lost it.
it's not worth it.
Damn, that's
You never know.
New strategy. All right, let me just load up the comments here. You guys are all good, right? Everyone commented, we're good to go. Yeah. All right, cool. Let's do it. Let me grab the link. Let's fetch. Let's fetch. We're going to get rid of replies here and duplicates. And then we're going to load them up. All right. A lot of you guys wrote duplicates, huh? Uh-huh. We got you figured out. And yo, you got to be subbed to the channel. Seriously, if you guys aren't subbed, we can't give you the account. So you have to be subbed to the channel. We're working on getting our subs up here, man, you know? For this unmonetized YouTube channel. Bring me my challenge. All right, let's go ahead and pick a winner here. So first winner of the day. We got 5 winners here today. 5 lucky winners. First winner of the day. Why won't you be subbed? Yeah, right? Why wouldn't you be subbed to this channel? Sheesh.
Well then, let's get this rolling.
Yeah, let's do it. Ready? So the first winner of the 25K challenge from Top 1, thanks to Top 1, goes to Teddy Gaming. Trendy Gaming.
Teddy Gaming.
I'm a beginner. Oh, what
Hope
a
you're here, bro.
blessing. You have to tag me. You know the rules. Please, everyone else, play nice. So I don't have to look like squiggly eye up here. Where you at? Where you at? If we don't get a tag,
Come on, brother.
we'll put a
You
limit
got
on
5 seconds.
10 seconds here. 10, 9, 5. Everyone count together in your own home. 2,
You must count.
1.
Strong.
All right. Did not stick around long enough. Monetize the stream. Hey, you guys know I can make I could probably make about $2,000 to $3,000 monetizing the stream, but I don't do it. And the reason why I don't do it is because we'll have ads in the middle of our stream and all that stuff, and I don't want to do that to you guys. So that's why I haven't really monetized it from I
Wow,
don't
man.
want I
You're
don't
a
want
nice
ads
guy.
and yeah.
This guy's a nice guy.
All right, trendy. No bueno. You're a beginner. You should have stayed around longer. All right, door's still open. Sorry, trendy. You're gone. Don't monetize the stream. All right, chat. Look at this. Looks beautiful.
Great.
And shampoo, Head and Shoulders shampoo deodorant. right when Johnny's dropping gems. Do you want a long-lasting, good smell in your hair? Head and Shoulders, knees and toes.
And shoulders, knees, and toes. And that's it, chat. By the time the ad's over, you missed the gem.
You gotta rewind it back, then you gotta go through like another ad. And it's just like, I ain't trying to do that to y'all. You know what I mean? All right, no bueno here. Let's pick again.
Damn,
Paying for
hopefully
YouTube
this next
Premium.
person's here.
All right, here we go. The first winner of the 25K challenge account from. Oh wait, what happened? Oh yeah, challenge account goes to Richard Lewis. Holy, wow!
That's a fire name.
Praise God, Richard. W, my sir.
Richard Lewis, let's get it.
Wow, what a guy. He's a local homegrown TTE member.
Let's go.
Quakers would go.
Yeah, I see him in that. Congrats,
W. Richard Lewis. Hey, man. That's what's up. Happy for you, man. Happy it was you.
Congrats, Mr. Lewis. Let's get it.
Big W. What a blessing he is. Awesome. All right, great job, Richard. Congratulations. Hit me up on Discord, or you can hit TK up. I think you were already talking to TK, right? Yeah? All right, good. All right, cool. Let's do another one. Green, you're funny, bro. Keep dropping those gems, Richard. Yep. See, you're a blessing to the stream, and now the stream blessed you. All right, next winner. So second winner of the 25K challenge account, thanks to Top One Trader, goes to VSAM. VSAM4621. Where you at? Where you at, brother? Where you at? Where you at, Sam? VSAM. Chat's frozen. I know. You gotta pay attention. You gotta you can't have the stream on max or whatever full screen to see the chat right now. Chat down. Chat quag. All right. Do I see VSAM? I don't know if I see VSAM here. You gotta tag me in 10 seconds.
Sheesh.
All right, on to the next. Once it's X'd out, it's X'd out.
Damn, Sam.
Oh wait, what's that, TK? Refresh? You guys want me to refresh the comments? All right, we'll refresh them. TK, we got a winner or what? Talk to me, TK. Talk to me. I didn't see a winner. All right, cool. All right, we'll keep moving. Hold on, let me refresh because I know a lot of if you guys haven't commented, hurry up and comment right now. Here's the link. I'm gonna refresh it in 5 seconds. Oh, damn, wrong thing. All right, hurry. I'm gonna refresh.
Sheesh.
We do a little
Bro,
refresh.
G-Man, there's a will, there's a way, bro. There's a will, there's a way.
YOLO trader in the house. Oh, wow. Look at that. We got way more coming. Oh, no. Not that many. All right. We refreshed. All right. How many we got? 2, right? 2 winners? Or 1? Uh-oh. John's gone. All right. Here we go. How many we got? Did we get 2 or 1 yet? Don't lie. I think we just got 1, right? Just 1 winner? Just 1, Richard Lewis? Did we get 2? No, we just got 1. All right, cool. So we still got 4 more to go here. So, all right, the second... Oh, let me just... Yeah, the second winner, hopefully you guys are here, to the 25K challenge account goes to... Basi Tumakara. Tar. Hey, are you here, sir? Are you here? Are you here? Are you here? How did I do? Did I say that? Did I just butcher that? I don't know. If you're here, you got to tag me. Oh, coming down towards entry. Just got wicked out there. Oh, he is here. All right, awesome, man. Awesome. Congratulations. I apologize if I pronounced your name wrong. But if you can, message TK on Discord, and he's going to get you all set up. W. All right, time for another one. A W. Yeah, there you go. All right, that's second person, right? So we got 3 more here to go. What time is it? Let me check something out here. Yeah, 1 hour ended up closing bullish there. So, yeah, it's not the greatest price action here, man. Ever since we got here, wasn't really the hottest. So, all right, let's pick. We got 3 more here to go.
Who won?
You have to rewind the stream to hear me say his name.
All right.
All right, cool. All right, next winner. Third winner of the 25K challenge account from Top 1 Trader goes to Sammy and Shelters. Sammy and Shelters? I'll say it all in one name. Are you here, my friend? Sammy. A lot of Sammys here today. A lot of Sam's winning.
For real.
Oi!
Oi.
Yanosh in the building.
No.
Come on, let's get Yanosha W here. All right, 10 seconds and we move on. Bait D, yeah, Bait D won Friday, yeah. All right, I think we shall move on.
Oh, it's your other account.
All right, yeah, let's move on. Let's move forward here. So, all right, still on number 3 here. So the third winner of the TTE or Top 1 challenge account goes to Faith. Whoa, I think Faith Fuel already won. Mr. and Mrs. 777. Damn. Faith
Well, she wins
Fuel.
again.
Are you here today? I feel like you won already. I feel like that was a name we've picked before. Yo.
Yeah, she's there.
He or she, I'm not sure. Faith Fuel in the house. All right, we got number 3 here.
The bean's there.
Let's do it. Let's go. No repeats. Hey, you win. All right, cool. Hey, congratulations. Message that guy TK on Instagram. And we'll get you all set up. Big Fire says, if you pick me, big fire. Yeah. I'll keep it in mind. We got 2 more winners. 2 more winners left. All right, I'm going to hold up. TK said hold up real quick. Price coming back down now. 4 hour looking good still. 1 hour is just nasty here though. Yeah, Samian.
doesn't look good at all.
Yeah, yep. Samian shelters. Yeah, so what do we got? One more? One more.
That was 3 or 4.
Yeah, they did, TK. That was 4.
Okay, bet. So one more.
That was 4.
Hey, yo, Landon in the chat. What's good, Landon?
Landon.
Landon.
Man.
What's good, bro?
How many we got so far, TK? We got 3 or 4? 2 more, bruh. Dudes again, like, yo, 2 more. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that was 3. If I've calculated, if I've calculated correctly.
And we don't know if it's 3 or 4.
Come on, we need honest energy here, gang. Nah, I know where we're at. We're at 4. This is the last one.
All right, bet. Last one.
Mr. or Mrs. Shelters, we got you. We got you covered. According to my calculations. All right, let's do it. Where'd it go? Right here. TK, how many we got? 1 Richards, 2 Indian dude, 3 faithful. Oh. No, we got what's his name too? Shelter. Yeah, that's 4. Yeah, how about we do this? We'll do 1 more from here, and then I'll throw in another bonus account, and we'll pick someone from the chat. How about that? We'll have another bonus one, even though we already did a bonus.
At least the bonus one will be guaranteed. You know, someone will win in the chat.
Yeah. Yeah. All right. Cool. So let's pick 1 more from here, and then I'll pick someone random from the chat. And we will move on with our day here. Cool? All right, so the final winner from the comment section here of the 25K challenge account goes to user PN7NM2GJG2C. Are you here, my friend? Are you here? That's going to be a hard one. You have to tag me. If you're here, you got to tag me. I'm going to look up your YouTube channel. By the way, all the winners, we're going to make sure you guys are sub to the channel too. So sub to the channel now. So you don't have to be disappointed later. Where are y'all at? You guys here? If not, we may just pick the next 2 from the chat. So we don't have to ask if you're here.
Facts.
Tag me if this is you. And it's not you if you don't have this image. That's me, Sale. All right, let me look. Let me look, Sale. That is Sale. W. Congratulations, Sale.
Lovely.
That was easy. Thanks for making that one easy on us. Beautiful, beautiful.
Get it.
All right, perfect. All right, we're going to do one more, just a bonus one. And we're going to do it. Yeah, Sale, message that guy TK on Discord. If you guys aren't in our free Discord, hit ! Discord. Make sure you're in the Discord and then contact us there. What's up, Ray?
Ray.
All right, we're going to do the last giveaway here. It's going to be a winner from the actual chat.
Nice.
Wow, man. No volume here for New York. Nothing.
Real.
Nothing.
One day.
Sheesh.
See, I'm curious to see what happens later on.
Yeah, we may get another move later. All right, let me bring the chat in. Let's bring the chat. Let's get rid of this. Hey, Augie in the house. What up, Augie?
Hey, what's good, Augie?
W. All right, cool. Let's do this. Let's do it. Let's do it. All right, cool. Let me bring the chat in. Welcome in, chat. Welcome in. Welcome. Like the stream.
Welcome.
Like the stream. Good to see you guys here today. Give the stream a like.
Great to see you guys.
Chat quick. All right, we're gonna do this last one from the chat here. So, yeah, just spam a comment and we will pick right now. So, John, you tell me when to. I'm gonna leave my mouse right here, and John's gonna count down in his head and then tell me when to stop it. It's like musical chairs.
All right, bet. I'll count that in my head.
Just tell me when to stop, and I'll stop exactly when you tell me.
All right, bet.
All right.
Who's gonna time me, chat? I don't think anyone. No one.
Who's gonna time John's
Stop.
John's thoughts? Bruno 01. W Bruno.
Let's go, Bruno. You timed me. Good stuff.
Bruno
Proud of you.
01. Yeah, W. W. Hey, if you guys haven't liked this stream here today, give the stream a like
Got
for
you,
me.
Bruno.
Bruno W, congratulations. Yeah, message me or message TK on Discord, and we're gonna get you that account all set up, locked and loaded, ready to go for tomorrow. Yeah, all you guys will have your accounts ready to go, and I think we'll come back tomorrow, man. Yeah, 4 hours trying to get down. Our idea is still kind of working out here, but it's a bit messy, bit sloppy right now. So probably gonna let this chill out for a bit and kind of revisit this around 11 a.m. ish, so like another hour or so. Yeah, W day. Congrats to everyone who took positions. Congrats to everyone who stayed disciplined to your plan here today. And whether you won or lost, the big deal is, did you stay disciplined, right? Did you stick to what you said you were going to do today? And if you did that, then that's a W. It doesn't matter about the result of the trade. It just matters about you and exercising that lovely discipline muscle that we have. So that's going to be it here for me today. We'll see if we can break through here. We're about break even on that other position. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. And yeah, John, appreciate you coming by, bro.
Nick, thank you for having me, bro.
Thanks for
I'll
dropping
give you a call a
gems.
little bit later. Yes,
All right,
sir,
man.
bro. Thanks.
Love you,
man.
big dog. See you later.
Love you too, brother. Talk to you later. Chat, have a great
Later.
day. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace.
Later, chat. Hope you guys have a great one. Be blessed. Don't overtrade. Don't over risk. And we will see you back here live tomorrow. Love y'all. Enjoy the outro.